Okay. So, hello, Adina. Wait, okay. Wait little bit, wait. Wait little bit, Habibi, wait little bit. Okay, so hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Once again welcome back to my stream, and let's see who will get a first view today. Mana ba niya first view matasi? Manu ba niyo first view mentakas ni Mr. Sanki. Hi. How are you? Third view mobile hakai Rani. Hi. Ha. Okay. Shining Bo Sun, welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. Shanbor FF, welcome to my stream. How are you? It's been a while. Guy Gaming, hello. I'm fine. Okay. Athag, welcome. How are you? Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Don Bud Monkey, haha. Darkside, welcome to my stream. Long Red Gaming, welcome to my stream. Shanbor, fine. Oh, it's nice. Meow to da. Hola. 1 vs 1. Aha, buy all. Ani shwan mi menta ong buy no hisa. Oh my god. Okay, let's complete 20 likes, guys. 20 like, okay. Carmen Gaming FF, hi. How are you? I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm going to sleep. Oh, okay. Take rest. Hello, hi, how are you? I'm fine. What about you? I'm good, thank you. How are you, sis? Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Thank you very much. Love you forever. Don't but noob. Dora hakai unsna room no mo. Are you wait na baba. Wait. Mr. MCBR YT Mix. Hello, welcome to my stream. Glad light. Attack no but. Crush it Dora. Mana ini? Good evening Dora. Good evening. Why baba are wait na? One sok item code jum fi kong Dora ko lek kai bat fi. Okay, lek kai no bat ngi para jat thang. Shining Bo Sun, I wanna know your name, your real name. Roni, good morning. Iba Roni, good morning. Dang sukian na Roni? Pilih da at mjuan la offline baru sis la online baru sis ngiru. Menong ngadang sus dang online benta. This is my first game. I just online now. I haven't played today. Really. If you don't know that, I'm gonna show you my history. Nganat night bot light. Oh. Ngadang suki pihi ha. Pensyai Marbanyang. Oh. Shining Bo Sun DJ EXO Tad FF. Oh. My god. So, tell me, how was your day? Piwan sino menemensngi. Klem offline re Dora nadu menenbiet hadu kata. Like seriously? I didn't offline since last night. Who told you I didn't offline since last night? Maybe because I back my game automatically. Nga dark side video ratmo. Oh, benia pat nga itu kerteng dark side today. Hello my darling Meba GRFF. Hi, how are you? Karshan scam ha. What does it means? I guild does not 1 vs 1 fee comes to subscriber. No, that is impossible. Online bet ha. Chal se lekai room 3 vs 3 lekai ha live stream fee. I'm really sorry. I'm not in a good mood right now. Balay shim Dora da ad because I'm on live stream and we are waiting for 30 likes first of all, okay? Ngala change. Oh. Okay, let's complete 30 likes. After that I'll give you guys team code, okay? And once again, thank you so much for last night. You guys are the best. Pensyai Marbanyang. Okay, darling. Okay, puting jaing. Chalek kai no ko parash nong ting. I wanna know your name first of all. You are not from my village, I think so. Because none of my villagers play Free Fire. One net kai room no. Okay, never such. Na custom giveaway say okay. Tomorrow I will go and collect my credit card or my debit card. I don't know, but that time we will play. Okay. Baby, I love you, Garo Garo. Boy gaming. Oh my god. People should not know ne hi. You will know later also. Okay, sure. Khot biang ya Mᴏʀᴇ gamer hacker ban le kai 1vs6. You will lose again, Ronnie. Last night it's so funny, yaar. That gameplay is very, very, very funny. Okay, by the way, ngakali pi na du mane, shanu pi1 mane sngi. Dora ngadan halai kra menta ya tu address yung fi ngadan halai mer ngadang shuan halai kra menta hi. Ngadang shuan halai kra menta hi tagadao. Pidesh nong na edora ngadesh nong na shatain sora shati. Yes. Hi Dora, how are you? Snar Panda FF, I'm fine, thank you. What about you, ba Snar Panda? Chol ele kai no fide hinman jong Iİros, Iİrsi, Iİrsi. Yeah. Boy gaming girl, me I love you so much. Custom 1vs1, okay. Ha. Oh my god. What a scene. Pensay mar banyang dan jane matangan ba menta. Hapshet kain ba gogzu na marngar kadang wanjing kadang. Do you still remember me? Yes, Narpanda. I still remember you. I can't forget you. Pitok palat dong sna ko samsan phongut ru le kai re YouTube thok palat li. How can you say that? Last night we create custom and we play 48. And yeah. Pahe mo ki job man biết di team pahe em. Ani first like nga Get back kurba, if you don't know how to talk, if you didn't know properly, you better shut your mouth. Cheer menin PI giveaway nga ha. Mendo nga giveaway pi. I am pahe. Oh, pahe. Ha. Okay, Habibi, where are we? You are Khasi? Yes, I am Khasi. Batay kateng Insta ngan follow back patkin. I don't have Instagram, or maybe you can ask Nightbot. Crowlingdo, hi. Crowboklingdo, how are you? Where are you from? Boy gaming, 1 like view, baby. Oh my god, 1 like view. That's my dream. Like no, bro, Isis nga. Shining Wilson, pide na po like Kဃሶ, ha. 1vs2 Kğɪʟs दे दो ठीक है रुको पहले रुको. Search Khasi Dora. Okay, I will, but not now. By the way, mentakas ni pikwa ban lekai you ngini lekai custom mo. Rwai kan diat sila Dora. Kan darwai nga ang pizza सँभ्रख्या. Hindi bolo baby. I don't know Hindi. I'm really sorry. मैं ठीक से हिंदी नहीं आती. I team code no okay. Is Sophie FF Dora. Oi. Please ya rap lam ka account jong ala du ka account jong aro ko la du. Aha. I know team code okay. Pechnia ngamot ban ong pi te menta kamit ki bom le gil test ru kila ban join. Te ki bakwa le 1vs4 mo ki bakwa ban le 1vs4 fila ban join na team code la da pim le gil test kan ki bakwa ban le gil test kin le 1vs2 la ne 1vs3 kat pa pimon te ki bakwa ban le kai te 1vs4 ru long ya ki opponent kemud ya ki tu ki bamar persya bat pi ngen khot na po live stream mo te mentakas ngim dan kamuron na tharai ngim dan kamuron ngen khot be na po live stream bar khot kabiang ngata deh. Kabes palat kata ngatharai ngin khot bet na po live stream ya barok khoi. Te manu ban shnarum ningkong ta apsha ngana pet sha kata live stream jong ngala poi kan views klem yu ire. Okay, ani ka he hata ka sound ro ngates ka sound. Keran Khasi se ngem sotu kamut kumnu rum sotu thau namar baki don lang bat ki Khasi bat ki Garo bat ki dikhar bat ki penar bat ki jantiar ki don lang tu ki don ki penaru ki bom sotu Khasi KFB nga kapan generator goat. Okay, please say Arab and Fikan mau ban yo good. Pikum no ban yo good. Pensay mo banyang mga ay nga Khasi baby noob. You didn't even know how to spell Khasi also, and you're saying that we are noob. Wow, amazing. Mga siya okay. Ngan siya mga pinapan join the team good mo. Join the team good siya mo. Ngadan custom account Southly Diamond Sans pa please pajala dia ngadan kana tali Diamond piday Khasi te karena Khasi baj se rafila ban I 1 lakh subscriber ngan karena Khasi mentahi ngan communicate na Khasi la rafila ban I silak subscriber dai la rafimala ban I pade silak subscriber nga haban communicate lang mat ka pareng ru kanang ba ga ka channel ru kan grow and mangi bero ki Khasi ngini pau lang bero. Hello, can you add me? Okay, sure, but wait mo, apsya mo ba asnar pandangan sa invite win. Lakay no bat ki hitar siya, I'm not in a good mood. Go give me 1vs1 Khasi Dora. He didn't dare to do so, brother. I'm really sorry. He didn't dare to do so. Okay, Habibi, where are we? Where are we? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the team code now, okay? So, nakamtag to bako aban na room sa no batay hang niya po live stream and ngan I do team code if imenta. So the team code will be ready in few seconds. So you guys must be ready, okay? Team code will be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bali fi delete friend nga namar ba piklem la kay bunsi daga daw. Alright. Where are we? I want to custom with you, Dora. You mean to say that you want to play custom with me? Okay, sure. Try hard tat ani menin nyalap kidan kita ki Xerox tat nang ta lorem tat nang ta try hard tat. Oh my god. Hello. Are balik kom ta jar oi te phi ong ban le kai wan phin le kai giltes ne fin shu le kai sngutanat e thu shwa kata khanang bangan tep ban pha ek player ke bakum no should text room ni later. Okay, it's okay. 1vs2 please. Okay, crowbok lendo 111. Jisa SG hello sis hi. La kai sultanat kum do kamut visual la kai tang ban sultanat ken la rapi phim kwa ken ban rung hapo gel da fi job ru biang la fi rem ru biang la mar hapo la da fi mut ban rung hapo gel pat de fi don kam ban job lai round la da pishna ka to bah nyo la da pishna pat de ka to ba pra round pin don kam ban job adu sa. Oh 4vs4 then we can do now. You have to no we can do now 4vs4 you have to play only what to say 1vs4 for guild test. Tapi ko aban na guild test pin haban le 1vs2 shaneng. Tapi ko aban na kai sultanat pin hab ai room ID but password hapo stream. Hello Khasi Dora. Hi fi bantay kandat kani kajat ng padrios ngo. Except friend nga sa daling buting out ta apsya kandiat mo. Doesn't matter, it's temporary only. Yes, it is, I know, but I can't do anything, my dear, because I have to accept new friend. I have to delete some. What kitu kibam jule kai nga invite nga la delete the I can't kept for long mo kitu kiba offline kamtam. What's your name? You're asking my name in my stream? Oh my goodness. Oh, my name is Doraemon. Okay. My name is Doraemon. Fin lek kom no try hard fin lek kai guild test na. Okay to Kishna no okay. Kishna no sa invite ngi guild test MORON dark side unbroken solo. Kishna no kan kloy sa invite nga mo. Sa kale balay sa kale I'm pahe please accept. Okay wait first of all. Ayo. Chite pahe ini Adrian ru empat ani nga hab delete. I have to delete some of my friends first of all. Ayo. Saat yang ngalun legend please. Okay. Ini 3 days. Ito yung Mad Dog. Face of Legend. Nang ta ini toxic siya di dan hapo friend list amin ni oi di dos itu te ilabat tayo lupa. Why di game life itu te ide garo nga taray. Hai Sadlenzo Piru balay kumto jar Just plus jaran Aha WH John FF I have to delete you also. I'm really sorry. Tapi kwa ban at saat biang mo sa accept. Who is this legend? I didn't even know this guy. He never play with me. Whenever I invite him, he didn't come. Aha. So itay pahe. I-Adrian rungan hapan accept ila ong meninmit nga klar ini pahe ni dini am. Okay, taladep mo. Sa kale hello Mong Big Gamer. Hi, how are you? How are you? Come on fast, dark side unbroken. You guys will play today. Invite me too. I wanna play. Choose only two. Okay, try hard. Choose any two from our side. Hi Kondora sa kale badle sa kale. This is my UID. I wanna play custom with you. Okay, I will send you friend request, but first of all let me give you my ID. After that you send me friend request and I will accept. Okay, Nsoᴍᴇ. Okay, ya persyang bat ngi duralong ni em hoi long. Saat yang lun legend. Okay, I will invite me. Okay, sure. At lang yang Iİrsᴛ소. Okay, delete yang ngi badan hangil hoi ta. Kambes kata. Lasai finishim guild test ni em dura hoi ngan shim. Delete yang tid dom la ngai. Tapi offline teng hab delete. 1v2 there, spec away. Jet hi hang to yan upin ban spec yan upin ayu. Sa kale. Lalip light. Oh, hello Dora sa pizza. Last lam ngam ju issue UP. Ngadan behaniru. Thank you Dora darling putting rice rang FF adi lip light tengi la pandep ni gambar ngam tip balik lip light kum ni. Hello Dora, can I play with you? Yes, of course. 5-star gaming legal test na kum no mantai. Yes. Yeah, we can play now. No problem, Habibi, no problem. Kala lip line ngam tip show kum no ban le. Dark side. Hello, Pak Dark side, no bot.
No bot.
Kumno, haha. This phone is very small, can't do anything. Yeah, I constant HP ni em makamkan moped na. This is my first gameplay of today. I don't know how can I play. Oh my god, very dangerous.
Naru kaju video robot.
Tata la wai le noob ni arngod sa choose dangi ba noob tasam. Oh my god. Taken. Siya ay jikermen kais pangi broken. Haha. Sakale bale sakale. Siya don ngam ire. Oh my god, what is that? Oy. This is my first gameplay of today. How can I defeat him? Tell me. Oh! Lucky shot. It's a lucky shot. Hi, it's a lucky shot. Password he didn't give because he said he wanna play guild test, that's why. So you have to be patient, okay? Habibi, come to Shillong. Yeah, Habibi, welcome to Meghalaya. Sakale, dark side, sakale. Dark side, no bot. Lahir lut ka headshot rate menit ya kai limited ya kai jigel kan pikil kai kan ngati ngahir lut kan la poi shot propo youtube propo sun point something lahir 2 point huriura. Boom headshot, boom body shot. They body la they had I'm stuck here, Habibi. What is the dark side? Wah, iya gambar wah ini tuh mo. Goy gari luat le. Oh no. Dark side lah back. So low le 1vs1. Oh my god, Habibi, welcome to Shillong. I like your movement style, huh? My movement is not good. You are from where? I am from Sora. You know Cherrapunji? But I don't like to call it Cherrapunji. It's Sora only, okay? I am from Meghalaya, Shillong, Sora, East Khasi Hills district. Dark side! Sa kale labmit ka bike game, aha. Pitulah siya kawang. Oh. Tutua yang tu. Ya ni sini ali. Pelat ni wall siya re. Oh my god. Ngambut ban change kan dang baka melong re. Ngalayo si kuli dark side tak ada wila bike. Ngayo body it's full yellow. Not red number. It's yellow number. Full yellow. Shane me. Nani. Aha. Boom, red number. Oh no. I missed that shot, Habibi. Lahab show. Oh my god, he fall in the water. He fall under the water. Where is he? Shaneng. That side. Oh my god. What is that? It's lucky shot. Okay, we call it lucky shot. DNS official, hi. How are you? Welcome to my stream. You have to tell me where are you from. Tell me, where are you from? Come on, dark side. Dark side, noob butt. Ahaha, akam shnai mut re, makroi mut kam shna. Ay. From Jaintia Hills. Oh, thank you so much, Ani. Na Jaintia kidan, nam tiap kidan na Jaintia. Nasihat dari Sadigal Yap Harai. Tell me, if I shoot him with the Sadigal, will he die? I don't think so. Oh shit. I missed that shot. Oh no. Oh no, he didn't die. OMG. Oh,
First blood.
My god, yaar, what a shot. Please versus with Copy Gaming. He didn't accept. I have tried, but he didn't accept. He said no. Lucky shot kataro. Yes, it is lucky shot. I like Kıyıʌnᴇ, please. Okay, yes, of course. Who is your inspiration? You mean my what to say? You mean a gamer? Gamer inspiration or YouTuber or something? Because I have so many inspiration. I mean, in compare with in real life and in a game. So you have to make yourself clear whether you want me to know about my gaming inspiration or you want to know about my maybe personal life inspiration. Then you let me know. But if you delete friend yang api, I can thank you no. Oh, lucky shot. Yes, it is lucky shot. Ôi ngắm tiếp ra và đi một phi ngọn đều brio yêu nhiều và bộ tình cùng nhé. Danny's 97 con đưa ra pro palala susi. It's lucky shot pishu thau yo today na kle to dat dan kapor yap 0 kill ru nga si yap. Dan ngayo budi teman takas ni kanya di first game taray long tu. Dorat mo I headshot bet ani thau day di pi takada day ra ba you. Don kapur fi am lek kai don kapur bayok body shot bit baro don kapur bayok headshot kalau mentapi ka don kapur ki baro. Oh no. Oh shit. He's so fast, right? Sheila za. Oh, don wall janga hang tu tim like nya thrai. En hap pai hang ni la hap support ne. Dark side la hap support em itu hang tu. Okay, Sheila za. Dang don hadi ni la jai la bike snui la hap support thrai. Nga thrai. Dark side she don. Ini ane eh. Oh, I'm stuck there. Oh my god. I got red number, little bit. I'm
First
stuck
blood.
here. Oh my god. Really? You wanna give him 0? Let's give him 1 round. Evansius Daling Puting. Good morning, Baroni. Kopi gaming garu noob conrad sang mahakai noob bot. Like seriously? Actually, his gameplay is not that much bad. His gameplay is nice, but he didn't accept it. What should I do? I have seen his gameplay. I used to play with him before every time, but now too he didn't play anymore. I think so he unfriend me or something. I don't know. They are different in everything.
First blood.
OMG. Very, very dangerous. Sa kale balay sa kale. Dark side siat 2-3 tap. Yo pisyo as ngaw ba muse keluar try. Good evening, guys. Kayatsuki, how are you? Welcome to my stream. Darling Puting ihahaha. Oh my god. Very dangerous, right? I biang team good mo. Okay. Please accept friending nga. Okay. Ta. Na don't come personal in fee. If you don't come personal nga, ngami ipat ita kayo. Friend request yung fee. MP hadu ba in da shubok no pat. I team good no. Okay. To up siya. Ngitang sudah black kayo menta 1 match. Okay. I know what up ya kalait. Ngin hapan target but kalait pat ya daling. We have to target with lights also at the same time, Habibi. What should I do? Probe out. Yes, okay, let's complete 45 lights. After that, I'm gonna give you guys your team code. No need, right? I'm gonna give you team code now. Sa kale bale sa kale. Take that team code 3610101. Oh my god, what type of team code is that? 3610101. Come on, baby. I've given you my team code. Come on, fast. Hello. Bạn tham em keren na. 1 vs 2. Okay. Shna no okay. But like guild test na kum no tham. Hello. Guild test na kum no.
Sulit kai.
Oh, shula kai. Okay, ta. Kishna no okay. Okay, guys, be ready. Okay, be ready. He will play 1 vs 2. I'm gonna give you what to say, room ID and password, and you can join. Okay. Dora le kai no la shai da give away come here ka view te kong. Okay, ngampat yo ATM te le mobile hakai da table yo ATM te long kum ta om ngala man ai price mo ki ba job te man tapat ngampat don ATM te le ngan ai kum du kan. Unfair guilds using Wolfra, that is not up to us, okay? It's up for the opponent. If he want that we will remove our Wolfra, then sure we will remove. But he didn't want to, he didn't say anything, so we can carry any skill we like. Yeah. Long lifetime, bro. Badai nawar jantia rakti ngaru ngakwak dai nawar jantia tang banga dai napo sora. Aha. Leander Zangma, let's vote for Khasi Dora vs Xerox FF. Who is that Xerox FF? Can you tell me who is that guy? Can you tell me who is that guy? Xerox FF, like seriously? Yeah, I like not Dora. Yay! Whoa, I'm first view. Oh my god. Unfair guild test using Wolfra. He didn't say anything, that's why. If he asked us to remove the Wolfra character, then sure we will remove, but he didn't ask anything. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Sakale kale Habibi, take that room ID. Habibi, welcome to Mᴏʀᴇ. By the way, guys, pila ada bamjan em. Xerox FF Indian pro player. Is he a YouTuber? Is he a YouTuber or something? Baha kay noob kako bigi garuto. Oh my god, very dangerous. All the best Dora wala kay guilt test but nga uphoy jayo. Ayo, I'm so scared of you. Okay, password is 1. Password di way. To join natin. Sa kale tang pa pinahaban na kay 1 tab, okay? You have to play only 1 tab, okay? Password is 1. Okay, come on, join first. At guild fee. You said that it's not a guild test, so what should I do? Nay balan pa all body. Xerox FF Indian pro player. Oh, okay. Okay. You ask him, okay, if he wanna play with me or not, okay? Xerox FF is not Indian, he is Nepali player. Oh my god, really? Like I know about Xerox FF, Dora, I am noob and you want me to play with Xerox FF? Like seriously? Shum ID at friend like I okay, to wait, okay, wait. Chisak SG, where are you from? Are you from Garo? Long and join nga Dora ho, long bed, balim long. Long bed. OMG 2vs4. Hi 2vs4. Oh my god. Ngan pa ikito ba arngot mo? Namar kirbetang arngot hi 2vs4. Tough palat if you. It's okay Habibi, it's okay. Xerox is famous mobile player. Oh, I'm really sorry. Actually, I'm not into social media presently, so I may not know about him. Oh, I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry. Actually, my inspiration is Kirito Gaming. My inspiration is Kirito Gaming. Yeah, that's why I only watch his video. Sometimes I used to watch Tufan video. Sometime I used to watch what's the name of that guy? Smooth FF or something. Yeah, and yeah, only that guy. Kai mᴏʀᴇ like kai but in mobile hakai 1vs10. Really, you know how to play 1vs10? Masih ya tur jab ileno ba tomato sedora ﷺ. Tomato means ﷺ. In Khasi we call ﷺ, okay? Kong Dora like I sniper no but I am noob. I'm really sorry. Especially nowadays I'm very noob in sniper. Yes, I am Garo from Assam. You are Garo from Assam? Garo are from Meghalaya, right? You are Garo from Assam. This is the first time I heard that words. That you are a Garo and you are from Assam. I only think that Garo are from Meghalaya. I don't know that they are from Assam also. Uttav who is that guy? Tell me. Send me his ID. I wanna check. Tomato Maura đây sợ sao? Đây cầm đây ấy, mobile hakai. Mobile hakai đây on tomato đây sợ sao on? Oh my god. Shillong in Garo, yeah, Habibi. Garo, it's from Shillong or from Meghalaya.
First blood.
Oh my god. Come on, Thambro, 1vs4. Show me the power of your gameplay. Yes, Xerox FF is Nepali, but I think he is India country. Yeah, we can say that because most of Nepali, they are staying in India. Mobile Hakai, Ronnie. Where is Ba Ronnie? Even I want to see. Oh my goodness. Even I want to see Ba Ronnie. Where is he? Sakale kale habibi. Sakale kale. Let's complete 50 lights, guys. Kat bang idang page ka stream gini pandap no san pau light kanang ban dala dep ngan yo I know the team code directly. Okay. While they are still playing, let's complete 50. Now it's 50, I think so. No, it's 45. Let's complete 50 lights because after this match end, I'm gonna give you guys directly with team code. Otherwise, after this match end, I have to wait for 50 lights, and after that, I'll give you guys with team code. Then it will take too much time, right? So let's complete 50 lights while they are still playing. After this match end, I'm gonna give you guys directly with team code. Okay? Psycho, OP, at friend yang sa khot ngay u. Just give me his ID. Just give me his ID. Give me his ID. I just want his ID directly. Oh my god, red number. Finish him, finish him. Yeah, Habibi, that's it. My god, 1vs1. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no, no, no. Justin Bieber. Ibasa ka movement yun itam na. His movement is very cool, actually. Yeah, it is very cool. His accuracy also is very nice. Be careful! Oh, you didn't see he's from that side. What a gameplay! Oh my god! Balik kum to. Ngalamut pila job kani ka round. Okay, it's alright. Okay. Ba alpha syncing la yo to ID mo. There are so many Garos in Assam. Yeah, I know, but they are from their hometown. Their hometown is from Meghalaya, right? Their hometown is from Meghalaya, right? Tell me. Rwai da ka jing rwai suwan jong one job. I'm really sorry. Ngam jut da kam sngap ki jing rwai thamai. Ngas ngap tang ki jing rwai Khasi ki bandai handai. Iban Risha. Oh my goodness, Khasi bot YT. What is that? Are, you are showing emote?
First blood.
What are you doing? You are not allowed to do that. Emerald is not playing. I don't know. I think so. He's not playing now. He's not in my guild anymore. Psycho, I love you, Dora. Oh, I love you too. Mwah. Balik piruai tang sa kale namar idan po aja biang dang daw. Dora dep kani ngini le kai but ba aroni mo 2vs4. Okay, but you have to join through team code first of all, okay? Join through team code. After that you create the custom and you will get to play, okay? I cannot do anything. Do you are my guild member, do you are my brother, do you are my sister, do you are my relatives, but I cannot do anything. You have to join only through team code because I am in live stream, okay? Tiffany, I think so it's a girl, right? Anil lit. Oh, he is offline. I want to see Thambro gameplay. His ping is not good or what? I think so his ping is not good, right? See, it's lagging. Oh, where is the gun? You didn't have any gun? Okay, just go and kill that girl. Go and kill her. Go and kill her and take everything from her. Oh.
First blood.
Report lẹ cáiตัวอันนี้เล็ดยันมัน report อีตัว offline. Okay, 2vs. Oh my goodness, you are spamming. You are spamming. 1vs3. Oh my god. Go and loot something from that loot box na. Go and loot something from Nongbet's loot box. Go. Otherwise that gun won't work. You will die if you use that gun only to. Sakale. Your network is not good. I can see so many clue walls came out in the playground. Yeah, so many clue walls came out in the playground. At least you get to kill. VPP how pra? Oh, how pra? Where are we? Oh, that boy also is offline. Even Thambro also is offline. This guy jinsya ini di email namar na room ini Rᴇʟɪឡ dengan mentoy you ban pej kan mo. Ye kan ni ka room man mentoy you ban pej ka today. Okay, so no problem guys. I'm gonna give you with team code and it's too late. I already back. I'm gonna give you guys with team code again and you come and join, okay? Oi, never said what Akpro mo mame balay jayo. Yes, official, what happened? Why are you guys quarreling? Okay, let's complete 50 lights. After that, I'll give you with the team code again. Yes. Let's complete 50. Okay, 50. 47 now. Let's complete 50, okay? 50 lights. After that, I'll give you guys with the team code and we will play together. Oh my god, very dangerous. Sakale. Ngay itu imut ayo ni ba Shanghai kum ni. Ding. Oh yeah. Wow. Throne emote is back. But in different way. Oh no.
Chegou a hora. Solta o som.
Kıyıʚnᴇ. I love you too. Jacek, hello Hakai TV. To ba Hakai la karani tu ba SG. I guild that's okay, sure. I will give you guys with team code and you guys join, okay? Let's complete 50. After that, I'll give you with team code. Sağ-kale-kale, balay sağ-kale-kale. Sağ-kale-kale, balay sağ-kale-kale. Sağ-kale-kale. Rồi biết sağ-kale-kale. Okay, one more light, guys. One more light, and the team code will be ready. One more light, and the team code will be ready in few seconds. Oh, yeah, we reached 50. Okay, take that team code 4934101. I'm gonna say it again. 4934101. Rani Nubat. Mebat GRFF. Oi, hello.
Hello.
Wala I can play. Oi.
Emma. Abis na ako ay.
Okay, ta.
Ako aja dengan tim code telah. Yuk rumit lah.
Balik pi so bang bahai ni jen rai sa kalian namar ngamtip rai idan haja biang ngamtip rai ka lyrics yang ki baro ke jurai ngakan mau tang itu sa kale balai sa kale. Aha.
Ada ka squad ay mungkin ring video opponent.
Hoi, em. Ke dar pi ada pishna pi nang tu ngan squad lagi opponent nang ni. Pi bodon para tang da Adam sudah. Te double dan ne Adam gumta te I2v6 kenyu marway 1v3 mla re.
2v6.
Te ani
Yo pi kena carbon.
yo pi hike shot te.
Macam tiap aku berubah Mᴏʀᴇ gimana lah.
Lekai berkupa. Tuma aru ni buat ke age na no wood oi he ni ara. Kan caught opponent ngan ni. Okay. Okay guys, so mentah kita siap kimot ban lekai 2 vs 6. There mentah I will give you guys with a team code now, and you have to change all your character into Adam, and you have to unequip all the character skill. Okay, so come fast, take that team code 5069701. 5069701. 5069701. Kloiwet ngiran kam ndreungut nyungut na ndreungut. Okay, we are live. So, oh my god. Hey, hello. Hello. Ke le ra dau Adam nai ra skill re na mari mut le kai 2 vs 4 kan 2 vs 6. Okay. Ra da Adam bro mo nai equip re character skill mo. Okay ta. Where are we? Not Dora, please like I but I'm not gonna play 1 vs 1 now. I will play after some time because now I'm in live stream and we are doing guild tests. We are just checking so many Khasi players out there that are very pro. They play better than PC player also. AS official Kiki noob. Why you said that Kiki is noob? He is a legend, man.
Ada Reborn
ilung red ila tap tang ufra ta. Hai, ta kile on equip ini Kiki pat idang equip load character skill baro. On equip no character skill kloi. Iba Kiki bat iba remi kidang ra character skill. Kile on equip no character skill kan ke. Pinang ne bat on equip ka character skill.
Nang gi.
Ta kile on equip no ke.
Jangan lah.
Ngakwa lekai custom mebat sa join. Ta kila off. Te yang solo kan baru kait ngan sa invite ngai pi la shim friend am ngala invite friend ni pi baru kait te sa yang solo.
Halo.
Baby dragon. Oh, baby dragon. Baby dragon la da ayun am ka skill. Kile change ka alay off na ka character skill baro okay. Hoy pinapan off lut ki to ki character skill baro na marki to ki opponent ki mot ban la kai tang argot te pisian riu ta kadaw. Hoy Alright. Tang ba fisia baro hap lek tang montap gitu tekinya spray na marki lek tang angut. Pan bam zero be ha dala.
Ngan percang baikkan benar.
Alright. Teki le on equip sya ki character skill. On equip sya character skill baro kan ki. Pidang ra. Pidang ra character skill te katau on equip no baro khoi ki character skill. Nai ra character skill ka wiru. Ke ra bet basada bet ploin kum jong khasi bot YT kum iba kiki. Alright ki. You are big fan of Hokkaido or what? Who? Me or Hakkai TV? Hi Dora, I love you as friend. Oh, I love you too as my brother.
Gini part gini ka skill pitara.
Talap yang kat tu try. Yang solo kan? Solo kan saya invite no episode ya. Ini diajak solo. Oh my god, Ronnie invite me fast. One more needed. One more player. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more player. One samarway kloy. Dang duna saway. Kloy saway. Para nga tu kiki de para jong pimat da kadaw. Te le shay mo. Okay, ta. Mangayo ni am dura pinhaban join di tim kut tu tim kut ngala ai sunlight real r not way. Ata la yo imastalisi. Hello. Unequip not character skill ke. Unequip not character skill kloy. Ata. Oi dorang aku alek kai custom bali film join ba he ngala ai menta da tim kut rei pi club join. Yang solo no tama, yang solo no da pila ada pasal unequip sya tu character skill kan check sya yo pi equip sya betelayap. Unequip sya. UID. Okay, my UID. You want my UID? Okay, I'm gonna give you. You don't need to worry. Kloy say. Lejan equip nak tedam kloy. Boleh? Kipa on equip lut ki karakter. Namar gile 2vs6 tak daw hab on equip sya ki karakter skill berok coin. Hab on equip lut baro peluang am sama dapatnya. Tu you pada tu vest lah mi yang tu. Ko vest ru kami le yang tu. Katu ka vest hab on equip matrai. Tiffany la dap ti yen taling puting. Kira ni sina no boy ni arah ni what? Okay, solo. 2vs6 like seriously 2vs6. Oh my god. Lada kwa 2vs6 ru long sia hỏi long tambah. Hello Emerald Nubot Emerald kum du pilong ani sokmo. Snano da klasik dora apsha mo ngini lek kai shang ngini pet shot ki legend me kala ya 2vs6 kila ani em. Dala em kidi ki bayang dregot I0 ba gitu patun takar. Hahaha.
Solta o som.
Let's see their gameplay, habibi. Sakale kale. Pen spek yang aron. Unu tu way. New way day. Nang ta una mobile hakai la don tai. Nang ta sem tu itu way. Nang ta itu. Sa iremi dang ja. Ladon gitu barok deh. Okay. 3vs6 like seriously. How is that possible? Pen spek yang Ronnie. Khasi bot YT pen mi istai. Spek yang pen spek yang ba dia legend na vadai Khasi bot YT ide bandon hakaja jonga. Okay. Itu legend na vadai mut lek kai. Ayo. Ani 3vs6 fi kalong kum 1vs2 da 1vs2 namar pidan laingot kidian reo telong 1vs2 te bali pipa on equip ke karakter skill jong gini pat bopli. Kini lah biang ki opponent. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Kiki but dragon. Oh, itu kan kiladon ni Kiki ladon ni dragon no ladon. So many of them, right? Kiki they player one tap hi hoi. Kini ki badan rengut. These 6 players have to play only one tap, but that other 3 they will play spamming also. These 6 players they have to play one tap only, okay? Dora join lang sa, but they didn't allow me to play. Babot pala ti siya delete friend mo no fa change ka tang klam yathu to buangan tip siya nga. Pi klam yathu te nga ba fila change ka tang tinga ong makara yu ni na lorum jupat ju la kai minu on di delete dei accept friend mo no la yaw ni dekar nga delete na tedum tedam. Shubo lada nga le shubo lada NG nga le kai 2vs6 mo nga hab ai da one tap bet ni. Lada pidon hakaliang kabahan rio pin haban ay tang one tap. Lada pidon hakaliang kabadon tang arp de spray kat pemon. Alright. Big Kral, I miss you every second. Oh my god, really? Oh, I miss you every moment, not every second also. Manu ni never die. I don't know him. Babot palat nga siya delete friend nga may tuwa tayo maral da kadaw. Pichin ka teng ta is akmo nga ong makari yun nila. Balay film invite yang Dora na marba ni ay daw team code kini ke ba join team code paro kini na po live stream ten daling. Hain. Saat biang fa Emerald sim tu ID jong ala dap ai. Start not fee. Okay, let me tell them. Trivia 6. Oh my god. Aha, 3vs6. Ini dan hangagil yung Miss Ria. Dan hangagil dekar ne? Pa start no hoy ila start manta. He start now. My god, 3vs6. Let's see their gameplay, habibi. Kဃ쏘 and mobile hakai and Baroni. Pagkini Adam. Oh, Adam. Oh, my cute Adam. Begini bro, Adam sudah. Ki Adam sudah. My god. Ini pejong iba Kဃ쏘 siya mo. Thank you Dora for giving us your UID. Please accept my request. Okay, no problem. I will accept your friend request. Okay, wait. Kamsok try katate. By the way, lada kumta kan no round have a job. Oh, you mean to say you want to join guild test? This what to say? These players who play 3vs6, they are playing for fun. They didn't do any guild test. If you want to join my guild, then you have to play 1vs2 or 1vs3 guild test. Okay? Yeah. Accept ngaladap RFP. Okay. Tadon kam opponent sa invite mo susay sulunga. Okay. Yes, of course, Habibi. I will invite you. Don't need to worry. Come on, Ronnie. Oh my god. 2 players down. Oh my goodness me. Let's see their gameplay. Look at it lockdown. My god. Oi, cool. Your helmet. You don't need to use medkit, my dear. RG Remy, come on RG Remy, give them one tap. 2vs3. 2vs3. Oh, baby dragon rolayam. Come on, Kဃ쏘. Hakai, come on. Ronnie. Let's see Hakai gameplay first of all, okay? He's stuck in whose wall is this? I don't know. Ronnie is dead. Ha. Mano ba yung headshot ya Ronnie? Kimya panyap sa dan sa panyap sandan la jinga saktar. Boom, headshot. Come on, Khasi bot YT. Oh my god. Be careful, they are spamming, okay? They are spamming. Are bhai, ngamut ki ay guild test ngalingo oyam de. Kini balik 3vs6. These players who play 3vs6, they are playing for fun only. Yeah. They just want to test their power. Ihahaha. Mobile hakai, noobbot. I'm gonna give you guys room ID and password like I used to give, so you don't need to worry, okay? First game tomorrow Mᴏʀᴇ. Oh my god. Lalangin lain. Ayo. Siya ay zero ka like in rumah cipin lah. Oh my god. Lepas look at Khasi buat baby dragon Kiki. Ini Mᴏʀᴜᴜᴜ. Ya lek kai ba ni gumnum tu. Remy lek kai ba. My goodness. Bikral, hello. Rodi bhai kale. Revenge gaming halo kong bas on ani hanas on piece of mo la si. Let's inspect running gameplay first of all. Baru ni minisuliam pon tang balay. Balay ba suliam no? Pet la let tu la yan nadian nani let. Jish yan nadian Ronnie share. By the way, it's 3vs6, so no problem. One down, actually. You nearly die, man. Oh, okay, you got one kill. Then you put your mobile hakai pa deh. Come on, mobile hakai. Give him headshot. Come on, baby. Come on, give him headshot, man. You're very pro, but I didn't see your skin gun. Oh my god, only red number. My goodness. Mr. Lazy, pat mano bala liam ng deng gitu. Tay ki openan mano bala liam Baroni. Baroni is bot. Yes, Baroni is bot. Spek ya ni Dora pet lek kai tu bot he. Okay tu layap mentan. Pet chu kum no am na dep panem wa siap pet ya ni lek kai tu bot he wa. Pet lek kai ba Kiki mah diam. Em kini ki balik kai rengut te ki lek one tap, kitu ki balik kai langut te ki spray pi kat bamon namar kitu tang langut te pi. They want to show their gameplay in live stream. Kat ba hanga lada nga lek kai po live stream. Ta tieni lawai ga gameplay kum ko bot bali ka logum tamo. Tharai pi long nervous tharai ne kum no ne. Come on Remy, let's see your gameplay. Ka gameplay jong ki MORON dengan Cဃɪʟɪ, mereka gameplay jong kini ki opponent dengan 4 Cဃɪʟɪ na. Oh my god, very dangerous. Nice. Hey Kongdora la lekai slam ngadang sedang lekai. Mantakas ngiling la lekai tang shi game. Up mo adap kan ka round ngan news hack mo. Okay, let's inspect Baroni mo. Pa ini Baroni nubat mo. Come on Ronnie. Why you always die, man? Why you always die? Show them the power of your gameplay. Show them your power. Ronnie, show them your power. Come on, man. Why are you standing like a statue here? Go and kill them. Your ping is not good. I see that red Wi-Fi. What code Remy? Mangaru day Remy. Oh, mo itu ide Remy tu tak tahu. Ani Ronnie melakai Ronnie lion hack. Pajak mobile hakai mo. Kan dia ingin pajak mobile hakai mo. Balik kum ni. My god. Are balik ni. What's happening? Oh my god, Mr. Lazy. Oh my god. Ronnie le ikut no. Ay Ronnie melong nete. Oh my goodness. Cool Habibi, you guys are very pro. Tu buat he, madu buat he. Yang klaim yo le kai balik fi klaim join stat ngala ai da tim kun ne. Khasi M8N hooi nervous hi. Namar klaim ju le kai ha live stream da le kai po live stream kam ju yo headshot re la kala buat ni long confident kan le yo. Hapo game ta da job da rem room ni le to Ronnie la bike Ronnie la tik 8 tengah dah la bike pet jing butu you are kill kena spa na Arkil kandai spat fi Roni. Pa iba Roni mo, pa ini baby dragon balay jayo. Hoy turo ko na unat long bahari unat walk ni. Bago so what happened? What's happening? What's happening to this bot?
Kill.
Pay Roni lating ay ta kadaw la bahag cha zun chish yeah. To dah lek kai 1vs2 ru hap lek kai spray kan basulu gitu ki dapi lek kai friendly te kat dapi mon ndai dapi mot ban lek guild test Stephen hap one tap bet mon namar ngibut tang player one tap hapo guild ta kadaw. Come on guys, what are you doing? Taru ni la long nen. Ta kitu la long net. Okay. Let's inspect Ronnie's gameplay mo. Ni pait ka gameplay jong Ronnie mo. Come on, Ronnie. Nak mid mare sanda mare sanda kendro kum ni te esok mo la wai. Le one vi kum no ni yang pat yo le kai lang re pi klam join te e le kum no kan ngala item code ifi re pi klam join te. There no the work is not that much good I think so see. Oh, hacker. Yeah, he is hacker. He is hacker now. Oh my god, Ronnie's gameplay is OP. Yang pait iba gok zui ni rimlong network ra pait ni. Pait kan network jung i. Pali iba hakai. Ani let's kmol siya imut na balay na. Ngam imut na namar ba nga ay yu ta nga klam ay yu what to say. Nga klam download collection ta kataw. Le 2vs4 bat ki member jung fi long ne miss na ngi karu mano ban le arngut mano ban le sao who will play 2 who will play 4 you have to make yourself clear my dear, you have to make yourself clear first of all. So heavy, I think so this table will be broken within few days. Sakale balik long ta option net na ban ka tubul guntu. Daban pat kamlong ra. Le bhai Roni nu bot shu an spec e ba hakai. An spec e ba hakai. Ngate la long confidence best kan balong confidence. The long confidence you can beat them anytime. But if you are nervous then too sometime your hands is trembling, shaking, then you won't be able to play now. You have to be confident first of all and after that you can play. Where are we? 1 bat nga 1vs4. Oh my god, you wanna play 1vs4? Balik kiki. Balik fi yang haju. Oh my god. Nice. OP. Khasi bot, come on Khasi bot YT. Come on RG Remy FF, come on give him headshot. Kelewat stang arwat. Come on Kغዞ. Siya spray na balik tu. My god. Lek kai community balik kalong kum do jing comment channel. Actually I think it's cool. Pi trimha ban keren English mo pidai namaram. Ngam danang na ban keren English namar dang pas ang class 5 tang ba ngaday na po tain sora ngaday one top player. Oh amazing, you are a one top player really. Ronnie, show your real power. Come on Ronnie, show your real power. Hacker. Who is hacker? Oh my god, come on now you can do it. Only one more players left. Come on Ronnie. Baik Ronnie nu buat set body baik.
Double kill.
Body Ronnie. Create a class A. Give him a headshot. Why you shoot body? My goodness me. What a gameplay Ronnie. What a gameplay. Wow. I'm impressed really. Oh cool. He showed the real gameplay now. Yes, he's showing his real gameplay. Where are we? Glitch cupping tomo. Oh, okay, not a problem. Khot lang dadan kam opponent. Yes, of course, I will tell you. Le ngi arngot subscribe keep member jung fi sound good. Oh, really? Okay, yes, of course. You have to join through team code if you want to create a custom, okay? Jal le kai but ka kill jongi. I won't be able to beat your kill, brother, but I will be able to beat your guild. Yes. Maybe I won't be able to beat your kill, but I will be able to beat your guild. You have to know the difference between kill and guild. Where are we? Dora sha na sha le kai. Meneng ngadu net sha hoat sha balim sha. Khatang gitu balik one tap. Yes, all moron are one tap player. Oh my god. Mobile hakai. Sakale kale balik sakale kale. I don't know why nowadays moron they are wearing all this hat. Kira ada nak clip bodon teman. Kum hakai. Let's see another gameplay. Oh. My god. Oh, amazing. Oh. One more player. Come on, Mr. Lazy. Show them your real gameplay. My god, nice movement. Set up keluar. So it's perfect. Oh, okay, not a problem. It's okay. It's alright. Menya balik zone. Oh, menya ki ayu la ayu ki do nat takadaw ki ong ba ka network jung ki ka glitch takadaw. Alright. Remiki, okay. Khasi, I made no doubt I will have to play in live stream in some more games so I can overcome my nervousness. Yes, of course. You can come at my stream anytime you want. You can come in my stream anytime you want. Saat lang mo, Dora. Yes, of course. Tell me your in-game name. Guild test kay. Oh, guild test tu ngin haban le 1vs2, 1vs3, 1vs4. Pinomlong raban le 2 tera la file. What happened, Mama? What's happening? Oi! What's happening to them? Look at them. I think so their network is glitching. Yeah, all of their network is glitching. They are using same SIM card, I think so, all of them. That's why you see they're... Yeah, see this guy also. Now he's revenge. Oh my god. Their network is not good. Yeah, their network is not good. If their network is perfect, then surely they will be able to beat them. See? That guy also network. Oi! He missed the shot. Oh! But ini... Sakale kale balik sakale lalong le no ay kakil jing ba lazy. Their network is glitching. Their network is not good. All of them. See that guy also. Baby dragon also. My god, it's their ping. Kaglitch ka game. Oh. Then you need to recreate the custom. Yes, you need to recreate the custom. Back now, Ronnie. Let's back all of you then. Create the custom again. Poco X4. Ngala don friend lupa bat fi hab rung bet tim kuat salong na kum no ho Jerry pen hab ban rung bet tim kuat namar ba. Lada nga invite invite ya uwe ru kwa join uwe ru kwa join uwe ru ong pi invite tang itu yang fi invite ra fin their ping is not good all of them. Long fi invite tang itu yang fi invite ra te takadaw. So you have to join to team code only. Do I know 1vs2 but nga talong ne hoit long? Yes. I will give you 2 players, then you play solo, and that time you can't. Okay. If you won 3 rounds, then you will join my guild. Kerman Gaming, invite Landora. Okay. Chizak SG, custom glitch, recreate custom. Yes, even me too. I want to recreate this custom. Actually, it's not good. See, they're pink. Oh my god. You're reviving him. I told you not to revive and you're reviving? Like seriously? See this guy, what's happening? Oh my god. Their ping is not good. Back no. Hey, hello. Back now. Accept friend mo Dora. My name is KG My Hope FF. Ini My Hope pila don friend tang mention right? Okay, to nai para spray mo. Okay, yes. They won't spray. Back no long re I know that you yes of course. What won't get spec and cyclist network, but no spectator are there, only me. Game mother. Okay, let's bag it now. Oh, last round. Let's bag it now. I wanna bag this game. I know they will lose already. Okay, recreate the custom, Ronnie. Create again. Recreate the custom because it's glitch. Game MDC. My goodness me. Okay, recreate the custom. Recreate the custom now. If you want to play, if you still want to play, if you don't want to play anymore, then it's alright. I'm gonna give others a chance. I'm gonna give others. I mean to say sometimes my English is very, very, very confusing, right? Kenman Gaming, ha. Yes. Okay, you have sent me a friend request, right? I'm gonna accept it now. Tell me your in-game name. You ini lah batay man niya, bana accept. Then no hope and so. What about these guys? They didn't tell anything na, so no problem. I will left like that only. I team code ngan join. Okay, amo emerald liat up siya. Let them back first of all. Let all of them back the game first of all. After that, I'm gonna give you guys the team code. So Ronnie, you still down with 2v or with 3vs6, or you don't want any more? If you are still down, then you let me know. If you don't want to play anymore, then just let me know so that I will know to give team code so that others will join. Okay? I'm really sorry. My English is not that much good. Sorry in advance, guys. I hope so you understand, right? Ronnie.
kawan kerja dah.
Pinle kum no pin sinabiang pinile kay biang ne kum no ne.
Up ngan pasna tu hakai yang naling reconnecting gay gatut dah.
Ta kain pimut ban sinabiang ngan item code biang ki opponent.
Tip yo kadang glitch lah ping thai dah.
Nga tharai kam ngam tip show mdai datang ka jong pi gitu ki enemy ru ki yang sa haju ki glitch gitu ru.
Glitch ka game dah.
Tenle kum no.
Glitch ka tu karo nanti ora up mon pasna itu.
Okay. Lada pimut ban sna saong mo ngan item code biang ki opponent ta. Sapentip yang sapentip. Sakale bale sakale. Sorry mo ngam long net baro hile ba mobile hakai ki long net. All of them their network is not good. Item code okay, I will give you guys. You don't need to worry, okay? Syari much la guy ngi ko team code. Yes, I will give you guys a team code. You don't need to worry. But 3 of them will stay at the same site. But the 6 opponent will join through team code. I will give you guys a team code. So you don't need to worry. Nga ngam long net pi ngam le kai shu. They bang glitch la ba hakai baro hi kimi long. All of them their network is not good. I think so the game is glitch. Okay. So, what about Ronnie? Will you play again or not? Because it's glitch, that's why I don't like that gameplay, really. Let me ask him, okay? Sakale vale sakale. Aha. Em là ja. Một lẽ cái biang nó cũng no, I don't know. I still don't know. Let them decide, okay? At lang yang ngaru dalongan I da team code, you guys join through team code, okay? I team code shua yang da I team code baro lại join ho emerald up shot tong. VPP kong deng kong na ha upra. Habibi, you guys wanna play again? Shall I give you guys a team code again or? Where is Ronnie? He don't want to play anymore. Ronnie. Pimpen la ka ringa ngan penle hoy. Kik shoy ki bejoy nun long siya ro emerald dan hapo stream tamo. Let's see whether he will play again or not. You won. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the team code now. Okay, only a person who wanna join, you can come. Okay. Would you like to play with me? Habibi, you are Dynamo, right? You are Dynamo. I have played with you so many times. Dynamo, you are Dynamo, I think so. Long net mo ya. Penlakai sya atau apngan item code ipi mentas join stat mo. You have to join as fast as you can, okay? As fast as you can. The team code will be ready in pendap syah nyo polite nantan sa item code mo daling puting. Let's complete 70 lights. After that, I will give you guys the team code, okay? Dura mga VPP panda. Oh, kalwan marngar. Ako ala kay Kýʟᴛ. You wanna play Kýʟᴛ? Okay, you have to join through team code only, okay? I team code no Dora. Okay, let's complete 70 lights first of all. Let's start get 70 lights first of all. After that, I will give you guys the team code. You don't need to worry. 70 lights completed, so the team code will be ready in 5 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, to join again. Mᴏʀᴇ khăn san real not way. I will tell the number in English. 7695601. Okay, I will say it again. Oh, it's full. Hello ba, sirup lang. Hello.
Oi, de mga Dora.
Mano?
Mga kan unnun.
Oh, pimot ban lek Kýʟᴛ na.
La satu akau berim.
Sᴏʀᴏ. Tate la jot ben.
Tak ai.
Lek syakom ni. Pech ni. Syurum.
Oi.
Lek ma pi cek asai ka badan riu ngon.
Oi,
Te man lek kitu sia lai ngut long na
biang.
Te pin hap on equip no barok kini karakter skill barok khoi pin hap on equip karakter skill.
Ada Adam sindan ta.
Daw Adam ru udan karakter skill te Adam menta.
Super ta.
Okay to. Okay, come on guys. Come fast. Udan karakter skill. Pin hap on equip satu karakter skill. Kloi.
Quit rai ru.
Uto apa dunia ni umi sibuan karakter skill jong fi. Let klik na katuka UM nang tu na karakter. Saklik na katuka skill nang tas on equip.
Oh, Dora.
Oi.
Dora.
Oi.
Oi, ngan lek kai ngamu sna kai ngan set kai. Senang
Oh, jeri. Kade mud ya lek sya katu badan roni namar batu roni mine ka klit ka game te fin da lek kai fin hab bandon sya opponent menta fin hab bandon sya ban rio.
Oh, ngamu tangan lek kai nga kan 60.
Oh, kamud pin don sya ban rio ngut ne?
Sa dem sa ngan lek kai won itu.
Oh, ula ya join kani sao sya? Kani ka team code bang ai menta kadai namta ka tu ka 3vs6 kam dai namta ka 1v2 menta.
Oh, atan join lang.
Long sa join sya badon rio ngut pat mo. Ta kini sa shimfran yang amanu kini. Shimfran yang kini badang thamai syu anda delete syu ngam nang syu le ban delete inu ro. Itu makhara sya. Kila naira karakter skill gen on equip sya ki karakter skill barok kai habu tang adam bai tau ba sada bai karakter skill mo. Itu yuai let check lang kila dep ya le kam tane check lang barok kai fi. Kadang delete friend hani kini ki ba offline ki ba ye. Itu kena di mana ini ya? Tu iba hoi sim ru itu ru ngan haban dino imjuan la invite itu. Di little bante si wan itu imjuan. Lah biang atu syamo. Sim friend yang hello NG Mad Max, you take my friend request. Jerry.
Oi.
On equip sya kitu ki karakter skill baro.
4D dah kum ni.
Tu 4 karakter skill dang don nang tu. Adam rum tahu lah dan karakter skill teh. Okay. แต่sayang solo nak mo ini iba tham iba sirup I Mad Max nang ta ijiri tidang don character skill. Yang solo nak kini ke. Yang solo nak ani la dan sambut ngaran kam saat ke. Kan yang solo nak bro. Okay, come on guys, join. Stang arngut gidan kam. Sa arngut gidan kam. Shim to team kuat sa arngut gidan kam. 2 more players. Come fast. Kloi kenjerli, kloi wut namar ngidan kam hendri ngut teh pidang la ban join kloi wut. Manu bala join. Okay, it's full, okay? La full menta. Hello, schoolboy and zigzag. Hello. Ngaku ale kai dura hoy ta. Tele on equip sha character skill again. On equip sha character skill all of you. On equip all your character skill. On equip no itu ki character skill jung fi. Ngatip pira daw Adam, pila kai daw Adam hoy, tang bau Adam mentaru la don character skill dah. Naira ada character skill. Ki check no, ki don character skill. Ha kili check ba zigzag, pa itu iway la on equip nice. Saya ba zigzag 4 dep. Uy lanza. Oh my god. Come on guys, one more player. Come on. One more player. Kloi wan. Hoy to don menta hoy tangan sa ai. Pi bale ak tang ngasintur hi bale habang ai da team code as always. Savage, let on equip no character skill in kloi. Tapi mot ban lek kai am on equip no character skill namar fin hab let 2vs 6. Tapi sa on equip no character skill msya ada ban revive ru. Ngatip pira daw Adam hoy tang ba ka character skill kadang don. Okay, solo kan? Solo baro am sya revive mo pihak pen lek kai one tap baro. Solo. Invite Ronnie invite us now. 2vs 6. Invite us now. Ronnie invite us. Ha. Ngan lek kum no kan la nga invite ya way ya baro ngan hab invite ta kadaw nga ai da team code kum tu. Pia join the team code kam suk. Namar bala da nga invite emba rimi nga hab invite you tur nga invite you tur nga hab invite you tur nga hab invite ta kadaw. It's very difficult for me. What's this? Hacker. No, hacker not allowed. Level 1. No, hacker not allowed. Habibi, hacker is not allowed here. Hacker. Oh my god, it's hacker. Welcome back to my room, Queen girls. Oh, who are you? I didn't remember you. I am sis. Okay. I think so. You are sis, but you better be sis. You better be sis. Otherwise, though it's not good if you are a boy who wears skirt. You better be a girl. Okay. Ani tu wake up hakar ta? I'm gonna invite them now. Siya gitu. Itu mday shoot day. Lada iway menta ngataray. Lada itu. Then itu mday. You are not allowed to invite Pathar, okay? Where is he? Yeah, this one. After that, who's next? One more or two more player, right? Move me to the spectator if possible. This guy, no, it's not him. Oh, Hakai. Let kai daw to syare. Spec no nga, spec. Let me spec. Let me spec. Yes. Two more, right? Ngam kan mau shoot kidai manu gitu. Who's next? I didn't remember who's that guys who joined through team code. I didn't remember anymore. Jerry. Siya diba Jerry? Aha. Siya iba Jerry? Iba Jerry iway nga kan mau iba Jerry iway nang ta sa iway pa de. Jerry, where are you? Jerry, where are you? Lajak le Jerry. Buat CID le sino lajak. Lajak. Syara gitu ki ba. You mene kim dei ra banja. He Bhagwan. One hani kindo ki bamut banda kai ali ngidon kam sa argot player come fast 84100001 come fast ngam yu ira to ba jiri shi oh ni oi bhai kini join to room ko lo
Yo ra phim apa?
ngam yu ira le kabi ira fi fin pa online
Nampak.
Ta Mr. Lazy fila unequip na kumno na ki karakter. Oh mat mi na daw niu ayu mo fila dep la kai mene Mr. Lazy mat mi na daw ni nup uai mo niu ba nup. Sim accept friend nga Emerald. Le unequip ti karakter skill ko loy. Msyara ban le tam ki ko loy. What ai wo la kar ki tu bhai la jan yo FK ka room. Sakale vale sakale Kalau saya Emerald on equip the character skill. Sakale balai sakale. Oh ini fish lah. Ini. Hello, bye. Hello. Ini Khasi di character. Khasi Dora, oi. What skill is this, man? Sakale. Zigzag iklam on equip the character skill taka daw. Okay, solo. Iklam on equip the character skill is zigzag taka daw. Ready invite noi nga. Iklam on equip re ka character skill iba zigzag. Shay tu bhai la ja. Shushu ngene pet bha. Turuni ru haban le kai already in room nang ta. Pet lang snu iba i Jerry. Pengala pet bha jai umdon ra Jerry hani. Lajak Jerry. Syai Jerry. Ngapa ya Jerry ngam yu ngapa ya Emerald ngam yu Syai kita. Ayo. Pait chano tu ba Jerry? Ladap mentan fil adap on equip. Da fil adap on equip man invite fi. Who is this? Ba Kဃ쏘. Ngan invite na zigzag like ya ja syai gitu ngam yu ta dari bang yu ngala invite de fisa ngam yu re shisha ta ka daw pet fi me power hani Emerald room power I Jerry room power I didn't see you guys so okay start now let's see guys 3vs6 oh my god very dangerous I think so this one is a hacker his level is 1 yeah she is a girl I think so but I don't know it's this one it's ba hakai he's a boy yaar. No revive, okay guys? No revive. No revive, Habibi. No revive, okay? No revive. Dora fiklam shim ngala join do gigil. Ngaklam kan mau pet tharai? Ap man sa pet no man tamo.
What's that?
What's that? You guys are playing 3vs6, right? Let's see their gameplay. I think so that guy is a hacker. Because his level is 1. How can that be possible? Actually his level is 1. Nah, this guy, see? I told him that he's still where is that guy? I saw one of the opponent equip character skill. No, it's not right. Oh my bad. I see. I see who you are. You are my enemy. Slowly, Dora. Slowly. Mano ba equip character skill? Mdon day. Okay. It's my bad. I'm really sorry. My mistake, okay? It's my fault. I'm really sorry. Mga sirup lang siya. Na ngamiu iri pipi klampau online ta dalingan lek kumno pi klampau rete hang to ta kadaw. Oi. Very dangerous. Come on, Ronnie. Oh. OP headshot. OP. Where are we? Dora fiklamshim rang la join to gel. I will accept now. Okay. Oh my god, one tap. Like seriously, what a movement.
Double kill.
Pro jongi la do lakai. Ta ken mlali ita darling. I wanna play guild test KG gamers. Okay, yes of course. But you have to join only through team code, okay? You have to join only through team code. Azel ngala add friend if I accept. What's your in-game name? Tell me your in-game name. I will accept now. Oh my goodness, very dangerous. Now she is not a hacker. That opponent is, that girl, when girls white, I don't know. Maybe she want to say white tea, but she is not a hacker. Okay, it's Hakai, mobile Hakai. Come on, Ronnie. 1vs2. Mano basa one? Oh, quadra kill. Oh my goodness me. That is so cool, yeah, really. See the previous gameplay, the game is glitched. That's why they didn't win the match. But now see the real gameplay. OP. My god, so many Adam are there here. Very dangerous Adam. Very dangerous Adam. By the way, let's not inspect them. Let's inspect that 3 legend, okay? Dapat kini legend lain ngot kita kuat le 3 vs 6. Pai kai ke gameplay jo ini. Ba hakai. Balik piman daw tu account mini temo piwan daw ni. Frank Carpor, hi Dora, hi. How are you ba Frank? Siya ipijat ando mini. They Mᴏʀᴇ gamer itu kan thay. No, he is not a hacker, man. He's not a hacker. She is not a girl, by the way. She is not a girl. He is a boy. Relax. Control. Full spam Baroni. Yes. Because only 3 of them they play, na? Yeah, they will spray, but the opponent are not allowed to spray because 6 of them are playing. Yeah, these 3 players, so they can spray, but that 6 opponent are not allowed to spray. See his helmet? It's gone, fully gone. Come on, Tham, bro. Oh my goodness. Ini apa je kini kila tu mo? Ini spray kuli ha. Mistakenly, I think so. Let's see one more time. Mistakenly too, it used to happen. Ba schoolboy. Spammer. Oh no. Mistakenly. It used to happen, guys. WHSO is down. Come on, NG Mad Max. Kwa pet kai balik kai 2 Jerry I lek kai 1vs2 hoi ta. Queen girl is PC player. Are relax, control. He is a boy. He is mobile hakai. Control, Habibi, control. One tap sudah. Yes, all of them play one tap. All of them they play one tap. These 6 members, 6 players, they are playing one tap. Only that 3 opponent they are playing spamming. Okay. Yeah, only the 3 opponent they are playing spamming. Kဃ쏘, come on. Dang 0 lek ba Kဃ쏘 shot re. Yeah, Habibi, they are one tap player. They are legend. I'm feeling hungry. I see who you are. Come on, Kဃ쏘. You carry only 1 M1887 and 1 Dɪsᴛʞɪᴄᴛ. Wow. Cool. Amazing. YD go XXO or YD Kဃ쏘. Sa pensiona mga karum biang dadap kani in hapan ayu. You have to join through team code first of all. Bajiri, you have to join through team code first of all. After that, you can create your custom, okay? I like his movement. Yes, he is a very good player. If you want his ID, I will give you.
First blood.
You want his ID? At lang sir, I give it team code, my dear. You can join if you want. Do spec one girl. Okay. I have to inspect Ronnie also, Kဃᴏᴜ also, Quen girl also, opponent also. I have to inspect all of them. 3vs6 เป็นมาลิไอ้ไฮฮับบีบีงำละ control เดี๋ยวมา Hi you naughty Come on Batham. Oh lasha spray haba Kဃᴏᴜ. Come on John FF Rolex. Ini di ba Rolex. Schoolboy. Oh jangan lip shot zone kunum tu. Savage. Come on Habibi. I know you can do it. Hi. Mad Max. Come on. Give him one tap. Zigzag. But gun may have to zigzag. Wait, but zigzag. No problem. As long as you have accuracy, that matters a lot. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh my god. Very, very dangerous. Oi. Okay, one more. 1vs2. Mana masalah? Saya sedang. Nak eliminate. Oh, zigzag. Come on, zigzag. Boom, headshot. Oh, mistakenly. Okay, not a problem. Now you have to kill that. Both of them. I know you are a legend. You can beat them easily. 1vs2. Come on, baby. I know you can do it. Oh. They are spamming. That's why. Okay, not a problem. At least your gameplay is very cool. Who's next? Yes. Jora penlekai lang yang ada dap kini mo. Ini iba don bentalang na dumanin biat ngalaog man penlekai pi. Tefen haban taba apsya ngan sa penlekai sibet sa kan mawe nga sibet hajan las mo mentate apsya. Sa kan mawe nga sibet namar mentangan Aisyah da tim kod ikini siabaro. Mᴏʀᴇ Gamer Hacker, welcome to the stream. Mᴏʀᴇ Gamer Hacker. Menta bayo free custom room arsaw kanta buon giba punch na bet hood. All of them want to create a custom because they get free. Ko spec la ma'am, you wanna spec? But what should you do? You have to spec only from here. They won't allow you. What do you want, habibi? Guild test ne kani MA kishia le kai friendly. Kishla kai friendly. Hoy. Kuno turun nila anu kumtu MP40. Mistakenly, he got body shot. Hi Dora. Hi Ignatius Tangsan. Oh my god. Oh re baapre. Are? Hindi na nathan sora. Hoy. OP movement. Hello Dora, I'm your new subscriber. I want to play Guild Test 1vs10. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing that site. Amazing. Come on Kဃᴜ. Let's inspect Ba Ronnie, okay? Let's inspect Ba Ronnie. Sakale Ronnie. Sakale Ronnie. Sayap shwet 1vs2 namla aha. Ngaru yo room free takadaw la kelimenin sa stang shikanta. Dadap kan ni ngan ai tim kuat dadap tim kuat dengan sa invite no pin dan ada black ai tim kuat mo. Oh, ikop nong sar ha. Tis EP. Ndai de nong sar ngadi nong kendong. Ngadang ngidang tung panda dang show spot da et masi et sniang pin de nong sar shi vi ngadi nong kendong pi. Ngakwa la kai guild test part okay ta dadap kan ni subscription ni mo ba dan bok lang after this match I will give you guys with a team code and after that team code then I will invite you, okay? Why did I excite? What happened, bro? You wanna play 1vs10? Oh my god. Henry day why did I excite? Hoy ngasaray imod ban IYD kum IYF. Oh my goodness me. Hoy ken na sora tinong kendong hi em ngam ong ra ba ka sora ka dei ka badang nong kendong ka ji sha ngam dei ra na sora na min sora nga dei na than sora ta ka daw pat poi ra sora ro bakla change ka teng pa. Oh then for how long it will take time for you to change your name again? Sorry, Dora, I'm late. Not a problem. At least you come. That matters a lot. Come on, guys. 6 of you are playing and only 3 of them. Why can't you defeat them? Why can't you defeat them? Ah, Baroni's gameplay. Ha. Come on, Batham. Come on, Jones FF. I know you can do it. Oh, schoolboy lah lihat. Kisah astang kan nunggu kini. Cղɪʌnᴇ girl. Okay, let's see his gameplay. Okay. Lang pero ma'am, they didn't allow me to play. I really want to play because I haven't played whole day, but they didn't allow me to play. So what should I do? I don't have any other option.
Double kill.
13 days have to wait lah. So mau dua ben. Nice, you get 1 round. Cứ tăng si round lại cái tay là why? Dora phi đang lại class em phi cầm lại chữa ra. Ngapep tăng class 5. Ngapep tăng class 5 phi cầm lại chữa ra. Dan ni email fa ngamnut ra ban nek kai game la sakuma wa dark side ai hai kini kidai kinup phi kini hrungot tikna kemnup ra ki pro lol kaju hi ken lem no mo jai tu ta ka por pass ko li mai ngina Mᴏʀᴇ shang ta daw manga bat phi na Mᴏʀᴇ shang mo dei na than sora yun dei na sha than sora mau ngut beriu situ. Jadi tu kerja kang ada. Come on, Mad Max. I haven't seen your gameplay. Let's inspect your movement a little bit. Rookie sayong aku alek kai bat phi kong dora hỏi ta sa ID trong phi mo. Ngalit tang kelas sia Mᴏʀᴇ keman nubat Sapet mo Aziel gaming video YouTuber piro Aziel video YouTuber video YouTuber tes send ke channel link jo phi ngam check mo. Oh my god, very dangerous. Kharwait bait kembali kai jong non stop gaming. That mean you want us to play limited klual, right? You want us to play limited. Idan imay habrung sa toilet ban lekay tang bakas mapaladum lang ra ban lekay po toilet LOL. Dark side, what the hell, man? At lang yung ngaru, okay, tangan sa invite. Baju te ngaru, Mᴏʀᴇ gamer day hacker. Yes, he is a hacker. He study in class hacker and I don't know how to explain his personality. I don't know. Pero ni last tag tu siya ina pa ito mo only girl Quen girl I mean to say Khasi bot Dora FF day hacker mo. It's fact pi Dora. Oh my god, te jenjar hale mo dalong tate. Rookie sayo nga day big fans yung fite ko Dora. Thank you very much my dear. Thank you, love you. Oh my god, 2vs 4, right? Yeah, 2vs 4. Come on habibi, I know you can do it.
Double kill.
But let's vote for face cam. Oh, you wanna see my ugly face? Yeah, you will have a nightmare, really. So you better not to see. Why can't I? My ping is not good, right? Yes, my ping is not that much good. Come on, Kղዞ. One man standing, one man army. Ahaha. Dora phi done second guild ne em ban join 9 kinup. Oi done. Tang bam ne na ba join kinup ki join ki subscriber ki bandu pro ngem chu thau na. Yeah, both of them can join. If you are noob also no problem. If you are pro also no problem. 1vs1, like seriously. Come on. I'm gonna inspect that guy. Come on, schoolboy. You're not allowed to revive, man. You are not allowed to revive. Come on, schoolboy. I wanna see your gameplay.
Double kill.
Give him red number. 1vs1. Oh my god. This is your chance. You have to defend your teammate. Boom. Headshot. Oh no. Mistakenly. Okay, not a problem. Oh. You nearly die. Be careful. Give him red number. Oh my goodness. Your helmet is fully gone. Oh, 161 damage. Habibi. What type of headshot is that? I really like it. Oh my goodness me. Nice gameplay. Nice movement. Where are we? Ba piles on palat nga tha ani lit nga jules on re. Ngam jules on re. Emerald. Ngam jules on re. 11 kills, 8 kills, 10 kills, 3 kills, 0 kills, 0 kills, 6 kills, 2 kills, and 1 kill. Let's inspect Baroni. Okay. Baroni didn't want to play. Mobile player, most of the mobile player have to play in toilet because their parents are really restricted. But unlucky me, I have to play in PC. So if my mom scold me also, I didn't have any choice. I have to be quiet and just smile. Kataru patbanda account dora bafile ahai Mᴏʀᴇ. I was shocked today. Yes, of course. Like I guilt Tefa Bandung guilt mo. You will play 1vs10, right? Oh yeah. Hishahi pot FIFA less on her. Oh my god. That keep peace. So kumbo. Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. Thank you very much. Then for guild ni ban join keyboard kong head Dora. I will create one guild only for hacker, okay? Why up dark side? Why the dark side mga? What do you mean to say by mga? Katu free rupat iyo re karum ka. 11k subscriber face cam. You want me to do face cam on 11k subscriber, but first of all I need a gaming room, my dear. I still don't have a perfect gaming room now, so I'm gonna create a perfect gaming room. That time I'll do face cam, okay? I don't want to ruin my stream just because of the camera quality. So I'm really sorry. I will do face cam when I have a perfect gaming room, okay, my dear? Yo, innovator. Who is your inspiration? Best movement Kဃ쏘. Yes, he is a legend, that's why. Let's inspect Queen Girl. Yeah, we will inspect the opponent because we play only 3 of them now. We will inspect them. Ba shala wat kagarina ru kamlaban re. Mᴏʀᴇ kamlaban re namar bali ba ile daw guest account ba liam nut hira ban hack do real account. Ignatius tangsang slap ni em shtu em ga kam slap ra men man si ga slap khandian ta te ka kam slap shura. If Mᴏʀᴇ gamer. Come in my room. I already have a gaming room tour. Really? Then it's very cool, na? Then you have to send me in Instagram. I want to see your gaming room. Send me your gaming room in Instagram. If I like it, then I will copy your gaming room. Don't mind, okay? Come on, Kဃ쏘. Oi. What a gameplay. Okay, 2vs2. And pet no ik opponent gitu kiba yoro nili super bapar you let bapar ksosan ay please. My god, schoolboy, your gameplay is very nice, man. Yeah, it's very cool. Okay, now you have to play 1vs2. No, FreeFire not allowed to play 1vs10. What should we do? Bye Dora. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. FF account John Dora lahat nga taru klam Shaban na. Really? Sige, ayo you fish la live. Nga lek man la kasni. Oh my god, dominating. That means how many kill you got? More than 10 or more than 5, right? More than 4, I mean to say. Day no na. Yeah, more than 4 you get. Very nice. Very cool. Come on, Ronnie. Sige, ayu pishi that live. I stream every day. Yeah, except Sunday. Okay, Sunday too I didn't stream. Sometimes I used to stream for fun, but not for earning. Send me. Okay, I'm gonna send you that one. Nightbot has sent you already. Wanna check my Instagram? You just click that link that Nightbot has sent you. Okay. So bang chat kai hang nia. Don kan thay man mo day pa don kan thay likam chung shit kan dia day. I will send my gaming room picture. Yeah, you can click that Instagram link that Nightbot has sent you. That wanna check my Instagram. That one you click from that and you will directly came into my Instagram page. Yeah. Ronnie bot het mo Ronnie bot. Oh Ronnie no bot. Hi. Hi Dora. I ngan join team kuat lam shi game okay tang as I mo. Isur tajis ko indur tem tip long no. Okay, I will show you one day. Don't worry, but you will have a nightmare seeing my face. Julia, Ronnie ila likte la I headshot mendin la jam nyo. Mo dekat kupa jong hakar di headshot mendin bathroom batdam. Ladon Peter Firu di kan thay em ngamut ban ong hakachat kan nya te ngadon tamba puli em ngklem yo ara ban chat ban he nia bat pi ban chat hang tu ban keren min tai nga te ngasu he da kan ya ban puli ka chat jong fi em mano ba ko face cam ni si shai ni derata agli havla ho mo innovator si siapat jam rengiu hale day. Okay, bagokzo. Oh my god, 1vs4 1 2 3 4. Yes, 1vs4. Kale, your movement is very cool, Habibi. Yes, it's very cool. He have YouTube channel. You go and check his channel, okay? He have YouTube channel. Go and check his channel. I'm feeling hungry, guys. What's the time now? It's already 9:28. I'm feeling hungry. I wanna eat something. Oh, double kill. Okay. Sa kanungot sa saw ani nang saw sa? My goodness me, 1vs4 kazonu kalaret ba? Oh my god. OP in the chat, guys. OP. 1vs4 moment. Oh my goodness. 1v4 clutch. Come on, Kɣzo. 1v3. Lakwa agil test palat. Okay, tangan sa mo. Wat le kai mo kong dura ha to wat le kai mo kong dura nga la yo I nadu mensha potri ke subscriber ha really where did you see me ma'am balay to account people nyo open real level kala offline like Lýირᴅᴜᴜ days plus because that is my mobile account. Okay, I play only in mobile, I never play in PC. That's why I don't want to ruin it. Okay, if I get mobile then that time I will on that account again. But not now. Now to I play in PC, I will play only this account. If I get mobile by any chance, then I will online that account. Okay. Where are we? Itu image dong ala jasa even I don't know. Shaibu short videos. I will tell you one thing. That pic it's from 2017, 18, 19. So don't compare me with the previous one. Now I'm ugly as fuck, really. Lekay bat nga dura 1vs1. Ngati ngam tiang ria pi namar pidang nu bakmat nga. Oh really? Pitip di amba sharing do. Ngaruk ngam tiang ria pi namar babale. Lada pide shisha legend. If you are a real legend, then you won't challenge a girl. You will go and challenge boy vs boy. But I know you are a boy who wore skirt. That's why you challenge a girl. Ha ha ha. You think I'm scared of you? No, I'm not. Where are we? Ronnie menin tang syukran attitude ha. Katay ka par ironi lan no ko it's there. Comedy ha to menin day. Young Rick Yaupnyao, you feeling horny? Oh. What does it mean by that? I'm streaming right now. How can I feel horny? Are Ngala ada follow message follow back tata. I don't need you to follow me, but as long as you have already followed, then no problem. My god, they will win. I think so. These three guys will win. Let's inspect Kɣzo now. Oh, Ronnie is a bot. That's why I don't want to inspect him. Bon come to mo all of them. Ronnie is a bot here. Oh my god, Ronnie. What I doubt what more there I doubt Ronnie tanga doubt. Dora like I 2vs4 menta but neutral, but not now. I have to give you guys what team code, okay? Adrian, FF77. What should I say? Habibi. Let's check their gameplay. Oh my god, 2 of them down. Okay, 3 vs 4. Come on, Ronnie. Oh my god, 3 vs 3. Oh my goodness. 2 1 vs 1 Ronnie, what itu? Ronnie sana pula 1 vs 1 rupanya mo. Let's see Ronnie 1 vs 1 with that guy. I think so Ronnie won't be able to beat him. You have to spray. Like seriously Ronnie, 1 vs 3 also you are spamming like anything? You are not allowed to do that, habibi. I'm feeling lonely. I'm not feeling lonely, I'm feeling hungry. Really. See Ronnie's gameplay. I don't want to inspect him. Let me oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, zigzag. Last man standing. Come on, zigzag. Oh, not in a wall. Not in a wall. Not in a wall. He won't shoot you. Okay, no problem. Go, go, go.
Quadra kill.
Kat bapai Rani Shurani Shanu Sadora. They didn't allow me to play. So what should I do? I've never seen Ronnie is a good boy and his gameplay is very cool. Yeah, really. Ngaru ko legel test ang baga mobile nga pat long res sorry mo next time 1 vs 4. Okay, yes of course. Yeah. Or whatever you want. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys for the team code again. So be ready. The team code will be ready in few seconds. Okay, few seconds, not 3 seconds. You listen properly. Moron is the winner. Yay! Moron is the winner. I'm gonna dance now.
Solta o som.
Okay, first of all, let's check the number of lights. How many number of lights we have reached by now. After that, I'll give you guys the team code again, okay? Wait. You have to wait. You have to wait for your turn. I say Jerry 1 vs 2. Sa join na team code mo. Diarrhea what I doubt to mo. Balik, I doubt no. They didn't give any excuse. They are all legend. They didn't give any excuse. 86 light. Let's complete 90. After that, I will give you guys with the team code. The team code will be ready when the lights completed 90. Now it's only 86, so it's very difficult. Let's complete 90. After that, I will give you guys the team code. I will show the team code. Okay. 90. Let's complete 90. Ronnie Ronnie is a big bot, but he can clutch 1v4. Okay. Yes, he can clutch 1vs4. Lambor Gaming FF. Welcome to my stream, my dear. Welcome to my stream. Welcome. Let's complete 90. After that, I'll give you guys the team code. 88 lights. Okay. 2 more light. 2 more lights. I'll give you team code. Yeah, 2 more lights. I will give you team code. Okay. Okay, 90. It's already reached 90. So the team code is, take that one. Team code is 0672006. 0672006. That is the team code. Okay. 0672006. Hello. Mic on, please.
Hello.
Pay ong balik guild test na kumno na. Ada 1 vs 2 na, 1 vs 3.
1 vs 2 lah biang ni.
Okay, to Krishna nota. Okay, schoolboy will do guild test 1 vs 2. Dadap kan niya pada sa invite no itu iba dab ayum to dab mang na iba don bentalang na. Ngaru klam yo rong em dadap kan dia sa shna sa phi mo ba don bentalang. Dadap ini sa shna sa phi na marba. Ya ini nga ada team code dadap ini sa shna sa phi. Dadap shna sa phi na marifi nga laong no menin. That's why. Dora le to balik kay menin Mᴏʀᴇ gemara karnup to mo. Yang apa like I mean account nila jong pada hack dora ha. I'm not playing yesterday. I was carrying grenade. He can clutch 1 vs 4, but he can't even handle 1 one but he can even handle one bot Rani noob tamo. Oh my god. Yes, dan benta after this match mo dan benta dala depan ni sashna sapi mo. Slam rungu ngaru klempat yo rung. Oh, what should we do? Is there any pro player like me here? Oh my goodness me, I can't even read your name. Your name is a little bit horrible. Okay, MORON solo. Kဃso or Baskai. Baskai also haven't played. Baskai and Kဃso will play. Or you wanna play with me? You wanna play with me? If you want me to play, then I will play for you, Habibi. I will play for you. You don't want to play with me. Okay, 8GB RAM, come. Ronnie is coming. Okay, no problem. You guys play. 1vs2. Okay, come on, Habibi. Let's play. Ngaru layo room free. Oh, then it's nice. It's me DBTL mo. Fila debdon hapo friend list. Fila don ne kumno na. Check ka room. Try la biang. You need 218 round. Okay. You need 214 round. I'm really sorry. It's my fault. You need 214 round because you create an 8 round custom room. Okay. Jerry la ako har la upstar. Jerry ngala ong ipi ban join ni team code. Bali film join. Ngala ong ipi ban join the team code. I have told you to join to team code but you didn't. Why? Piyo ayu kan lek kumne ngayo money ha ha ha. Why you want to question me about that? If I didn't get anything, then you think I will waste my time here? I get money. Shnong ayu do rapi ngade na she's tons of rapi leng nai. Ngati lek kai the phone 2GB RAM tomorrow ni, but you are a hacker. GP number, I'll send you 10k right now. If you want, then you can send me super chat 10k. You don't need my GP. You can send me in super chat now if you want. 10k super chat and I'm gonna off the stream in the middle of the match. Really, that's the fact. 10k super chat, I'm gonna off the stream in the middle of the match. Claim your content mene balik kai room le balik film screen record Kဃso. Namar nga hapit jang yo way ta kadaw em mene namar ngi piele lai ngut ta kadaw ngamla ban li ai. Come on school boy. Dora penruk lang yang ngaru sa pi hap ban join di tim code te Donald. Kan hap ban join daw tim code te daling bait batyang jonga sweetheart. So where are we? You are the shadows of my life. Where are we? Only 26 viewers again. Why the views is decreasing? Ngashwa mo dora fin hap join the team code unknown fin hap join the team code. Darling puting. Darling fin hap join da team code. Come on school boy. Your game please GG. Nadu meneng klamyo la kai fin hap ban join the team code ta darling fin hap ban join the team code namar ba ini school boy join the team code kibakwa ban na guild test ngan ai na po guild member andre kibakwa ban sula kai friendly tangan invite na po subscriber biak hi nga sirup lang ba sirup ta kan fide ba sirup ngatip ikata ba fide ba sirup ta makin hap ban le kumta namar ba kini kiba join kibakwa ban le kai friendly te nga khot na po subscriber kini pat dai kibala kai guild test tengah khot na po guild jong namar ba ka guild test pat lang ai na po subscriber te kamlong em. Next time hacker guild test jong dora hap challenge bat ngamu and after that they will die even in the cover also, right? I'm not your darling. Yes, you are not my darling. Darling is not that you are my darling sweetheart or everything. Darling is just a word that you are my dearest supporter. That's why I really respect you and I want you to be a part of that Dora's family, 10K's family. So I call you that. So you don't take it to your heart, okay? Otherwise your heart will be broken. Hoi ngala don friend list jong pi da dep kania sashna no mo ba don bantalang namar ngala ongi fi since last night na I've told you to create the custom since last night, so you have wait enough, so you can create after this much, okay? You after this much you can create, yes, after this much you can create. Okay, come on schoolboy, you need to win 4 round. What happened? Oh, your ping is not good. Okay, now it's good. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling really very hungry. Can I eat something, guys? But you will hear that sound. You will hear that plate sound. Tadang, steal one. If you don't mind, I wanna eat something. Can I grab something to eat? I'm feeling hungry, that's why. Okay, ngan up sa tarbet. Oh my god, Dora penrunggil lang saya ngan dan nong syare pinhaban legil test Donald. Da pinup da pipro umlelay, it's okay. Tamba pinhaban legil test pe ini ro mamut banrung hapo gil inhaban le kai gil test kumne. Ini marwai ki bana po gil jong apat arngut. Eat rompom. I don't like rompom. I like yummy. I'm feeling hungry. Okay, guys, let me go and grab something to eat. I'm feeling very hungry. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Okay, I mean wait for a few seconds. It doesn't take minutes, only few seconds. I'm feeling hungry. Give me something to eat. I'm feeling hungry. Give me something to eat. Okay, so now can you hear my voice? Okay, kadili ka stream din. Ka stream kadili ba? Ngam use ra auto kill dale gil test. AWM chacha. Oh my goodness. Hi. Nice. Evansius mga Mr. Lazy kuala gil test. Okay, thank you so much for 40 super chat Evansius. Dadadap kanya matle ibadon menta dadap ibadon menta sa pimo. You create a custom after don menta's gameplay. Dadap kanya inle sa ibadon menta dadap ibadon menta sa le sa pimo. Ba Evansius biang em. Okay. Thank you very much for 40 super. Oh my goodness me, like seriously, double headshot, double kill. Oh my god, very cool. Good job. N쏘ᴍᴇ. No booking request because Khasi Dora is very cruel person. That's why. Evansius, thanks for your super chat. Welcome to our community. Oh, thank you so much, Madrata, for your responsibilities. Evansius, finsale dadap ka gameplay jong iba don benta lang. Dadap ka dia match na sa iba don benta, dadap iba don benta sa na sa pimo ba Evansius. Oh my god, wow, very dangerous. That is called power of money. That is called power of money. Majiri, you have to wait. Oh my god, very dangerous. His accuracy is actually very good. I'm gonna eat something, so don't mind if you hear that plate sound. If you heard that plate sound, so don't mind, okay? Because I really need to eat something. Yeah, I really need to eat something. Yeah, I'm feeling very hungry. I don't know why I eat a lot, but I'm becoming thin. Actually, I eat a lot. I need chili also. I need chili also. Hi. Oh my god. Come on, schoolboy. Ai le utu pansau buat pansau ta. Dora ngaru ko ala kay gil test hoy ta ngan sa active code ipi. Namar ngadang yu ida mentah kasih deh papiwan komen support ke channel jongan tak tahu. Te ini par ki bala dan nadu menin mencisngin hap ai shoi kini te et. Dena kata kadang wasong pi lada pidang piwan thamai channel jongan. Pide ban comments baik kenang bangan tip. Let's say pilawan nadu menu ngapat ngam tip dapat pidon hapo stream. So I didn't know, that's why there is a big problem, right? I'm feeling hungry too much, that's why I eat and stream at the same time. So don't mind, okay? Don't mind. I eat and stream at the same time. I can't live without food. Okay, one more player. Schoolboy, you are a very good player. You at least you get one round. Actually, my player also are not that much. Oh my goodness me! Ore baapre! What a gameplay! GG. Never mind, guys. What happened? Actually, my gameplay, what I say? Actually, my guildmate also are not that much bad player. They are very, very cool. Their gameplay is OP. But still, you got 2 rounds. Okay, you need to win 2 more rounds. Then that time you will get to join my guild. Okay? Ngala don last lem ha o ngate ba pila don last lem tang ba pimju comment set ta kadau. Pide ban comments kan kanang bangan tip ba pilawan mi po channel mo. Namar pinju comments tang ka por ba don kam teng ong ni tip ini manu kum tu teng a komplet ru te fe ta kadau. Ya pi wan mi mana kasni am comments mana kasni ka WR ti ka message mo. Ibanzo, hello Ibanzo. Ba salamin ayam. Oh, some tia abdominal lalu bitli tia no video. Okay, don't know, not a problem. Sawan not lasai yang saya invite no pi lasai dang koloi mo. Jerry, lasai first game pi mlidai da tia no menta. Sawan lasai I will invite you first game, okay? Sakap Reborn mo pi lasai first game hapo stream jonga. Where are we? Mga samke mga ba salamin siya sa kawang tolong si tolong le. Okay. One more, okay. My goodness. Each and every shot you get red number. If you didn't get full also you get slightly. My god, only one shot but body and you die? How is that possible? Okay, thanks Zora. Okay. Ngaklaim tip ra USB ta kan susah headshot yang but ya bashallah but rumat dam sutu tahu syo. Pitch that palat. Isu dam pelup Mᴏʀᴇ gamer yesterday he didn't play. He just prone over his areas na and we all die. That's the power of Mᴏʀᴇ gamer. You know what, Schoolboy? I really want you to join my guild. Your gameplay is very cool. I'm in love with your gameplay really. So, if you want 2 more rounds, then you will get to join my guild. So please.
First blood.
PI mensiam lami para kasi te elek mo kan. Tang bapet life la ingkong kaja dadai bayo le kai ru ho you I'm broken heart. Pesan ya ba Jerry dadap kan ni imut bansna iba draken dadap iba draken imut sna ini iba Evansius dadap Evansius ngatrai ngan ai tim code dadap tim code sale sepi. Namarkan hab yai kumta lam kumta no it's okay I won't give tim code anymore also dadap ini le sa iba draken Evansius dadap Evansius sepi kalong amta. Nambaran hab ai syai gitu kibala up lupa na dumenin da. Hikai hack kumpi Mᴏʀᴇ gamer ngan push grandmaster. Oh my god. What a gameplay. Hi. I really want him to join my guild. But I think so he won't join. Yeah. They just want to come and contest. They don't want to join. He is in Guild Avengers. Oh, I know that guild. Yeah, I know that Guild Avengers. 7 kill. 3050. I can't even defeat 1 or 2 vs 1 with Baroni, and you defeat them 3 rounds. Dora yang apat Bak Donald dia pilih saya lada iyo lek kai Bak Jerry mentah tai Bak Donald sa lek kai first game nak lah saya mah. Kambes ayo lek first game kan namar kedang bun ha ka views ru first game. Backbencher unit tembok dang game ru niu ku party. Oh my god, come with me Ibadabyang. Who is this Ibadabyang? Dora, come vs1. 1 vs 1. You wanna play 1 vs 1 with me? With a noob? You wanna play 1 vs 1 with a noob? We'll just simply waste your time. So, you better not to play with me. Stang itu ni. If you won this round, then you will get to join my guild. Yes. You need to win this round. They didn't dare to do so. They just want to come and blah blah. I know. Nai Emerald kisukwa 11 la ni. Oh, oi, red number. Come on, once again. Once more. Once more red number. Oh my god. You miss it. Pencop ni ke round, schoolboy. Pencop ni ke round. Try what? Boom headshot. Okay. Try. Dora 1 vs 2. I'm so scared. Come Dora 1 vs 1. Like seriously, you want to waste your time to play 1 vs 1 with a noob player like me? You want to waste your time to play 1 vs 1 with a noob player like me? You don't need to waste your time. Go and play with pro player, my dear, not with me. Ore baapre. Ore baba. Kano baje Dora piju pen lek kai. Reu baje, nyo baje. Reu baje, nyo baje. Ibadap diang. Đây là cần thay tu đểฉันรังพง start. My goodness, his gameplay. Listen, Moron, if you lost this match, then I will come to your house and I will beat you. Really. You have to win this match. His gameplay is OP. Really. I was eating something and commentary at the same time, so I'm really sorry if my voice is not clear, okay? Oh my god, red number. Red number only. Yeah, he's a legend, yeah, really. He play like a legend. Oh my god, like a legend. Like a legend. By the way, you don't need to win. You already get to join my guild if you want to. Ko ates kan ses nganup le ses nga nai le ra le bat nga. Oh, shu wes kai ka por jong pi. Le kai bat nga tang 10 minute pila la pen lemen. Shu slam to bathit tia rồi ấy. They if you play with me na, then you will just simply waste your time buying things, buying guns, glue walls. If we game in the playground like this, then you will just shoot only one time, I will die. I am very bored, that's why. Why he is doing like this? He want them to kill him. Huh? Oh, he just want fist challenge. I see. Where are we? He also died like legend. He's cheating, right? He is cheating. He's cheating.
First blood.
Your voice is like, haha. Yeah, I was eating something. Nah, I told you I was eating something. I'm feeling very, very hungry. That's why. I'm streaming also, and I was eating also. That's why my voice is horrible. Wait. Let me read the chat now. Girl vs girl and boy vs boy. But nowadays, boy also give us girl's name. I don't know, maybe they are boy or girl, but they give us a girl's name. So it's very confusing nowadays. Dora, I love you too. Mwah. Women in the chat, haha. Ngan I job no ya ufi am that stat pendep no run. Pendep no. Let's not waste our time. Just finish him. He already get to join my guild if you want to. Pun halak renjong ngala thang da sunduk peleng ru hi. Thang bam mentoi da, thang sunduk peleng ru mentoi da. Ujak Spang ulam mi biang la renjong la kumika. Can I play 1vs2 Dora? Yes, you can. Yes. Dora, I love you. Kenjak pelat Evi, I love you too. Sam, bait batiang daling puting dok nut rakyat. Nambar bapi pro piken po assist bapi la kai da pising kam khan po assist kadai ke sisa kata bang ong PM. Tada pilak kai bat nga em. Pinshu penlut kai kapor tang apa batit tiar sesi syadami Hamadan em pinshu headshot yang ngahuri hura ngasuki ba ban ai keluar do ngasuki ba ngatang Syumi Hamadan pilayo headshot ngatang Syumi Hamadan pilayo headshot takadaw ngalek ran ses ban kai bat pi ndai da bang khan po ni hanang khan po ngai ro pi. Take that as a compliment, not as insulting, okay? Hujuk perkat negatif ra ngai ro pi ngong ba ngatang Syumi Hamadan ngalak lip ngatang Syumi Hamadan ngan salib namar ba ngalak tip bapi pro ha takadaw. Where are we? Takadaw pi isis dalak kai giltes ngam julak kai rel dia. Banganup takadaw ngalaran. Tham bro, sorry mo kran kai ya kai pi kran kai. Where is your message? Your voice is like, haha, oh, it's okay, not a problem. Dala Aram song, I know you dead. Ronnie is bought, that's why. After he lost, he said, I'll give him a chance. Oh my god. Oh, flop le. Ronnie bought 1vs1 room la are. Oh my goodness me. Come on, schoolboy. Just give them a headshot, both of them. One bullet, 2 shot. 1 shot to kill, I mean to say, yeah. Chish. My English is very horrible. Yeah, it is very horrible. But I can't do anything. I can't improve it anymore. Pendap no yo la kai no sa iba da. Kumno don benta deh. Roni kepahakar on the chat. Mendin ong de kepahakar le sulim puan. Dang kampru sa menedorate hokin kata di sisa pieces. Lombangan le kai bat no kata ses le bat no rupiang ses nakin membajo nga tengan nup sya le ses tasam ha. Oh my god, nice. Nga tengan nup tasam sya finda I gameplay jo nga sa Khasi sya. Takadaw da giltes ngam jula kai ra dal dia nga phabit da kini ki member na mar nga ran SS gameplay la di ban pun I. Aman invite choy tu po guild mo. Apsha. Tibi 3 NM da yo let's see issue participate kai ro mo mlaban tibi kata. Ore baba, pibot ban join gel na kumno school boy.
Mengacu wala kai le sekian.
Okay, no problem. I know you will say that. Mano itu ba ang manne ngala join the way account ay kateng kumno to. Ngala aklat no. M. Nanti dah. Okay ta, see you later then mo. Okay, so guys, ba ayun to bapak narum ni, ba da don bentan dai. Ba don bentan sina no. Kalau yun. Sina no kalau ba don bentan lang. Wala kai room tam. Pinhap le aku ni sa fi kwa la kai room sa join da tim code. Pinhap banjit pat dak member jangan nang ni ngat dengan 2 pieces ngat try ada ran. What one bullet to shot? I mean one shot to kill. I'm really sorry. One shot to kill I mean to say. Shna no ini bhai. Hello. Ria jan hi. Aku alek kai room. Ngarung aku alek kai room. Dadap sna ini ya. Dadap sna ini sna sa Evansios, dadap ba Evansios sa sna sa iba jiri, dadap iba jiri sa sna sa manut dem am show. Face is like panipuri without sabji. Oh my god. Panipuri si bamba sabji sa. Yes, DBTL is waiting here. Okay, create now, my dear. Sa mga bunch na dadap India sa Evansios sa Jerry. Pihap up siya mo. Ini bat JR up siya mat na siya dadap siya Jerry sa sna sa P. Kataru ladang don stream ladang ala offline te yo ala off na stream mo. Ni. Oi bhai, oi. Hello.
Apa ha?
Ta.
Apa Lakshana.
Ta. Mat sna sui tui la ap nduk menin de pi papli. La SAW pat em la ap nduk menin. Xem lộ cho tôi. Quả uống ạ. Adgel no yang apet ko nok ngal apet yang ni ide no. Mᴏʀᴇ apet ni ngal apet han ni, pa mᴏʀᴇ ide no nang ni. Pa kito langut de mano. Pet nang tu mano badai nang tu. What ngat ya idora improve how to squat na sam. Ngana 1vs1 mat tu badang level life power ngamla ra. Kata pi ong pro. You are insulting me. Why you are insulting me? Tell me. Ap syuangan di syuangan sa iyo. Sa bam si benda adap kang stream bam kadangan bam nepo stream na. Okay, habibi 1vs2. Ba syala pat lekai. Wan ba syala bat ba broken. Wan ba ogi. Ada spek ngat pi. Oh ha pen spek no yang but ogi. We want to spek. We don't want to play because me and Ba Ogi we are both noob. That's why we don't want to play. Yeah, dora ngakwa lekai para khat sausnem ngadang khat sausnem ba Donaldson nong spong unne ba Roni khat san snem long ne em phen lekai ba Roni khat san snem ap syai kol pa yet ni am karangai pa yet mo. Oi pa. Oi ngadang dan stream dak ba ap syangan sakol ngai pi ada stream mo. Tata. Ngana mut ikoli pa teman ikoli ba. Para. Where are we? Dorang aku alak kai katung ada pulin deh. The Manga Donald Kɣሶsnam. Okay. Weh, pen spek no yang nga bat ogi pen to it's okay. Ba ogi rupa lek kai mentai ya spek nga bat udon ba buat. Ida na po kagil Khasi Dora. Agadan sa kagil Khasi Dora ru. Ngamtip na bakadan kagil Khasi Dora hapo Khasi. Ngamtip na bakadan kagil Khasi Dora hapo Khasi. Like seriously, I didn't even know. Sa kale bale sa kale sa kale bale sa kale. Where are we? Lek kai nga bat Dora ru idora ipen mam zero tiang oh my god nang ma ba samo dadap tu sanga em hawan kier temo ngal da batay dadap ini sa Evansius sa iyo sa Jerry dadap Jerry sa imebat dadap imebat sa manu ngam tu syura kelayan online. Oh my god, let's see 1vs2 gameplay by ba DBTL DBTL kamut kumno Don Bentalang. I know the full form. Long dai tre ban le kai tia tong sa ngai ro ni mo itu khatsan snem de da khatsau te im de da khatsan tang ba sa le kai lang mat phi namar ngam tip da khana khatsau snem na po gil jongat ngam tip da le idon ne em. Where are we? Ngan snarum ngamo mani ole kai lang baro ni lera nay terwas bun sa bayet batiang namar ngatip ya yo free kakad. Oh my god, his movement speed, see? My goodness, his movement speed. Oh. Accept kay modora buat po pi ay katengum no ngala apay hang tu ngami ita pi ay katengum no. I didn't see you in that list. So you tell me your in-game name, okay? Mommy, but nga de iba pa din le lanu iba hap kre gotchwa. Mother, you have to study first of all, otherwise I'll come and beat you. Ha. Dan Dora to YD Alan Kɣsosnam. YD Alan? Mano ite i Alan idi ko nok mdera? Kendit me? Alan is ko nok or kendit me? I am confused right now. There in haban le 1vs2, okay? Konok I mean Alan and Ronnie, then ini iba Don Bok lang pada iba Donaldson pada in le marway. Mo. Lakot exam okay to sa online katangin nila kay batudum batadambay. Ha. 7H baby. Mana ini 7H baby? Oh, Sabarzon. Marasat. Jom. Wow, wala des mana. Okay, you are not allowed to do that, man. Cish. Pro baha ong baroni ngate dang loop. Biang hai filay iam ga gameplay joroni. You have seen his gameplay already. Ngale sale you. Oh, pide ba sale you. Okay. There's a send request hapo, sa send join request hapo gil ngan sa accept if ina mal play gil. That's okay. Yes. Ha. Okay. Oh, pa okay. Come on, DBTL LP977. Come on, his gameplay is OP. His movement speed also is very cool. You know, guys, I want to tell you something. I want to share with you something. Before, my English in my head is very, very bright, but I can't speak. But after streaming, I need to communicate both English and Khasi. Then somehow my English is flow a little bit. Yeah. Lek kai bat nga balasaw ko sa manubok ko. Something mo. Melissa lebat nga. Oh my goodness me. Khasi bot YT. Pidi tu ba join manem. Khasi bot YT tu bale 3vs6. Hindi na. Oh my god, red number. I see red number. Yes, I see red number. Red number only. Ba exchange account but men pidora la yo. EM ba nga chat hagil nga klampat petre. Delay, it's okay. I will check after some time. Ba asam le kai no bat nga badang post na. Oh my god, YD shala. Oh my goodness, very, very dangerous. Okay, you don't need to worry. You still have 6 chance. So you have to win 4 round, okay? You need to win 4 rounds so that you'll get to join my guild. I wonder why so many of them want to join my guild but they didn't get. But those who get to join, they didn't want to. That is injustice, right? Actually, God must have. You must take your skill and give your skill to those who want to join my guild. That's injustice as always. But what should we do now? Clumsy B DTBL, give it up, bro. Yes, his gameplay is very good, right? I really like his movement speed. If I play with him 1vs1, I think so I will lose 7-0. Yeah, I will lose for sure. His gameplay is very OP. Tora ngin niya lekay mentan la shy. Donald sa lekay no la shy mo mentan tala jarang palat ulain. Ta you play tomorrow, okay? Item code, oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my brother, oh my brother. เป็นหับบันแหละไกชีเป็นตลอดกระซิบนั่นนี่เป็นหับบันแหละไกเลยใช่อีฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าฮ่า Who is he? He is my legend. You mean to say this one DBTL? He is my legend. He is my brother. Dora, I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Don't do not drag on the TBI. At least he is better than me, so no problem. At least he play better than me. Oh my god, oh my god. It's very cool, right? Okay. Oh my full red. I think so. No, he got yellow also a little bit. That's why that guy didn't die. Come on, DBTL. Oh, 15-15. Oh, now you get body. Oh my goodness, your vest is fully gone. You get body, right? That Bashala and Baogi get body. No problem. Oste dadan bashposnem de chol bat nga bala saposnem tang ba ngi bala saposnem te omla Kıyıʀᴏ ra ki apala la tep lupa job bashposnem hi ayu. Okay, Dora, sa item code la shy ngin la kai la shy mo. Okay. What is that? You die again? Like seriously? By the way, not a problem. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Dep kanish narum ngamo Roni M. The more Sam, yeah, Sam is very funny. He's a very funny guy. By the way, I really like his personality. It's very cool. Okay, how many kill you got? You got 1 kill and Bashla got 1 kill and he eliminated 1 round, right? By the way, no problem. You guys are very cool. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for supporting. Play the bamjan em bro. Ani nga kelat keli visa play the bamjan em. Ngati ngaladep ngadang bam dang kandiat namar ngadang stream te ngadang shuan jing wan chpang puyeng la kem dum hi ngatarai oi la kem dum ngam kan bawan pa eksin meneng namar pa eklenti te na puyeng pade ngalap than ngalap bamja shwa kandiat te nga start shwa ka stream te da start ka stream ngalap yang than ngalap bam yang mentak kandiat te da khang ka stream shibat ngan sabam shibun. My god, I eat a lot, but still I'm thin. I don't know why. Balay mo em naman labo na kalender ni ngi labo dadap ini si Evansius sa iba Jerry. Kila upstart ang dumanita kan. Oh. My goodness me. But I don't like Dora if he is Hakarya last night. Remember guys? Remember last night? My goodness me, we just came out and died. I didn't even came out. I was just sitting in that cover, but still I die. We use so many walls at the same time, but still we die. That is injustice. His account must be suspended by now. Ngaro nadu mene hi hoit ba on nun nga ngay I firo klap nadu mene tambang yam la panig ay na marba yan habatay siya arum layrum nang tayan sa batay kinu kiban haban la kay kam hadin mo pin sayo banta wat num ayude wat num kuslay phale da adam gitu arngut piong dala poy hamach ten long siya ladi ban ong nadu mene ang ladi ban ong nadu mene hasyo bakin la kay piong dala poy hamach te mala panig ay Dora Phila Kamsa Phila Kumno. I didn't understand what you mean to say. I will tell you the truth. I eat a lot, but still I'm becoming 10 and 10 nowadays. I don't know why, but by the way, I love being slim. I don't want to become fat. I love being slim. Oh, maybe one day I will be a supermodel. Oh, ha ha ha. That's just a dream, which will never come true. Dora bot talk did I lie something to you, man? I forget what I lie also. I'm really sorry. Can you remind me? Kýʀᴛᴇᴏ. Yes, I know. Hagajin shisha pila di ban ong nadu meneh shua ban stangi kamach. Dora nga kwa baki openen kenra daw adam kumta kenaira karakter film tamta. Baby klam ong iay tadaling puting ta kadaw ngam na ban iay. So I'm really sorry mo. Balong kum no da usual fra dal kalong kum ni. Tapi use une wolfram Dade ba pisiat na kli kami hajing siya shumang na dala kam jangay dapi don helmet level 3 and sagaway la don baspek ifilay ngut songmud ta kamud ka dunagan kada mitch da shumang na dapi na kli da kada sadigal hagajing siya bakan mi arspa prapo kami no tang arspa hagajing siya bakan mi arspa kami no tang sispa kanay puway kumta kalong Abdale nga sa paale da adam mo. Okay. Sure. Whatever you say. It's your choice. It's your wish. Dora, I tiyanay sa vidon Kaktin niyo kata. Kaktin maram. Kamday kaktin maram ro. Kaktin war. Kaktin niyo kata. Ngam sutu da. What does it mean by that? What do you mean to say? I didn't understand. His movement is very cool, but his accuracy is a little bit less. That's why he always die in the last zone. If his accuracy is nice, then both of them will die. But his accuracy is a little bit less. That's why he get body. Most of the time he get body. Yeah, minimum he get a headshot. Minimum like 50% he get headshot, but maximum he always get from body. That's why both of them didn't die. Anyway, not a problem. Dasyat ki bayu sofrata yo body rulay spa arpo damage mekalayan lubot. Kaktin mau ka beng kadai kaktin yung kata. Kamau ka beng yung kata. Oh, kumta dura. Hoy. Yes. Oh, okay, not a problem. Sakale kale bale sakale kale bale sakale bale sakale kale Mday kaktin war ko dura bot kadai kaktin iu hai isam ngam tip te kadai kaktin iu hai ngam sutu te ngaru te kadau kaktin khriam ro kam dai kaktin pana ro kam dai kaktin maram ro kam dai te kaktin bohoi ro ngam tip ra kadai kaktin iu Kaktin mau ka beng nang hi kadai kaktin ayu Mᴏʀᴇ gamer that mean kadai kaktin mau ka beng atay baikran ite iba al day myren la kai mentane kumno kelwan marngar you just come here now and just sit we'll not play now or something no not now okay oh
First blood.
my god what is that Kaktin ko Mᴏʀᴇ gamer Kaktin ko Mᴏʀᴇ gamer oh my goodness me you guys you know what lang mood off na dang live stream masuk komen ha kamen siam na marke buan ha ginong support that's why I feel like I have so many brothers and sisters oh my goodness me I feel like I have so many relatives present near me talking with me supporting me I feel happy really Come on, DBTL. Cái tiền kêu bên anh nó sao lại mới tia hả dạ thu hog I'm serious asking you guys I'm seriously asking you what's the language is that but you didn't tell me Iban Gaming DBTL don't lose hope bro yes your gameplay is very good actually your movement speed is very cool don't lose hope yeah don't lose hope Messi or Ronaldo? I'm not a football players fan, so I'm really sorry. Kok nok ni tumo. I think so. Là nok klam di. Tiền boy ro đây ra, atau tiền boy ro kam đây ra la ong ini iba Donald. Iba Donald yung baka tiền boy ro kam đây ra. Teka dek ktin na yung arong alas ngolingo siya. Nok tang tok pi, oh my goodness. Come on BTL. Actually Shalai is a very good player, that's why it's very difficult for me to defeat him also. I used to play with him, but it's very difficult for me to defeat him. But you are very legend because you play 1vs2. You are a real legend, really. Oh, red number. I see red number. You got mixing with yellow. Where are we? Tingnan lamput. Yo atia abah daya asngaw kata kasi video ra. Oh, really? Thank you very much. Kuplay shibun ba ipatiang. He died already. One star Khasi Kýʀᴛ another planet. Kýʀᴛ Mars, right? Kýʀᴛ trong planet Mars, right? Tang usam marweru shispa la support. Oh my god. Ish usam the one make man ka stream usam the masam mo. Okay, Evansius, are you still here? Evansius, pinangdon hanya na kumno. Say Evansius manta. Hello, Evansius, are you still there or not? Evansius, are you still alive? Hello. Evansius, where are you? Evansius, where are you? Mbak Donald hindi nabuhay. Oh, hindi nabuhay ayo, Mbak Donald. Evansius, where are you? Hello. I think he's dead. My god, okay, Jerry, where are you? Hello, Jerry, hello. Jerry, hello. Jerry also. Where is Mbak Jerry? Jerry also is gone or what? Jerry? Are you still here? Are you still there in my stream? Hello, Evansius and Jerry. Badu, this is the first time I see you comments on my stream, so you have to wait, okay, my dear? Jerry lalekai bat utom. Oh, naman ngalaong dadap iyo sa Evansius, sa Jerry. Oh, ngalay da sa sudura ngalay mamjala sa ukmo. Bakanjing takadaw. Laya shrut na meni amshwa. Where are they? All of them. Dora Fidon ya ka ngam snguturi ni ba of day my ren. Oh, boy lembong. Oh, yes, it's nice. Ako apay hala siya buhay tang ngamdan bahiyeng ra. Ngawan man ba fi klam 8 pa diw sam nga jaw sa miu sam nga ichibun. Ngala dab la kai bat fi ru aslam ngala apay tang ba da kaway account kerteng gumno kumto. Tangas ngusudura la anok la ngala sukmo bet la Mᴏʀᴇ bot noob Mᴏʀᴇ gamer noob ba one to bat nga okay Evansius pi kateng gumno ngala cancel huriura. Okay, Evansius is here. Yeah, he's still here, man. He's still alive. I thought he gone somewhere. I thought he's gone somewhere. Tell me your in-game name. Evansius pi kateng gumno. Oh, Mr. Lazy. Okay, ta. Ngala cancel menila, ngala block by 1 minute. Siya ito, Evansius. Siya Mr. Lazy. Sakale bale. Oh, dag-im tangkot so kumaw ay ban gaming nubat. Ay hi. Paabat ngi sniper. They won't come. Dangerous da kumtate modera pendok nakasur la susi le Mᴏʀᴇ gamer. Invite nga itu you. Mr. Lazy. Invite nga Chloe. Chloe would invite no nga. Di nong Clau. Oh, hi. Siam nga at ipi harum ngan giltes kasi buat YT up siya mo man le siya iba Evansius man tamo. Dadap iba Evansius sa iba jiri ሶભાᴏᴜᴜᴜ paano iba jiri mo. Dora pi job ni por balak kai bat jong pagal squad na garungi job si round tharai. Hoy, ka first round po bangila kai ngi rush bet ngi ai kitu tang around. Dah hadian pada ka second round ula yari na kendong-kendong le spray da ka woodpecker. Tet no bot. Da ka third round lu wan dian huri-hura isa marke hale. Uda umias ngola asu uyu wan na dian na markidon kibun ki khasi ki ong balak kai. Ki la kai bat kitu ken ki danum ngola asu ki wan na dian hana. Ngana mutang mangi basyam yang kata re temanu kibun ki Khasi ki ong bakiwan na din por balak kai bat ki ngana mutang bat ngi ka first round da ki kruit baki rush bet ki mla ahire ki mla ahire la ki rush bet tena kata kadao la da pilek kai bat kitu ki squad jung kitu te fi baha professional limited la ni ka baha pa pilek 1vs1 la da pilek 1vs1 te unum la are ban wan na din Tela da wan na dia nu kabut pila aktif te. Da kata kada da fi challenge bat kitu ki squad le be kumta. Le be one I mean to say le be 1vs1 la ni le be da ka limited. Hoy. Man shu ein advice talk. Wan ngal dip shna du mini invite kloy. Sakale kale balle sakale kale. Sakale to da fi ye usam unyelam kai no yang fisha boy tamos nam sawajar sejrong. Okay. Sam, are you immortal? You are immortal, right? Next time VS garu khot na yang asno ta ka charging ba Evansius nga itang kani ko wait nga itang kani bo ang one Mr. Lazy nga ibat kani bo ang pet chat ngan send ID password nga lapit ka chat fi hani but still I didn't get it. Okay, ID ban But your ID, da fi ayo ID I space na pedeng tok mo ngam pa your ID jong pi da ka daw da pi mod bansen yo ID I kumta. Tang ba best part ka gameplay jong upagal garo. Upagal utya samo ka gameplay ubesa upagal da. Tang ba ki squad jong upat kitu jong X wall jong Xerox nang ta umya best ra kitu upagal but cloud to tip top best player from Garo upagal and Cloud. Pagal and Cloud to best player from Garus. Yes, I can say that. Ngamla ara depan kopi itu ID umum ta. What the hell? How can I cannot copy his ID? Kumno ngamla ban kopi ka ID jung itu? Are bapre. Should invite no Mr. Lazy la ne man invite ngaman ta. To la. Password di kumno? To filala. Sakale bale bale sakale Okay, no players. That means you have to play with me. No player, Mr. Lazy. That means you have to play with me. We don't have any players from our guild anymore. I invite him, but he didn't come. I last guiltas yang amo menta. I can see. Let's see. Okay. They can ibang baru kom lek Garu. Yes, they are legend. I can see that. Yes, they are a legend from Garu. Their gameplay is OP and they always rush that Cloud FF and Pagal 25. Nah, his name, they are always rush. But X-World, he came from backside. That guy, he is a very tricky guy. He came from backside. And one more player, his name is Xerox. He just spam like anything. If he shoot that woodpecker also, nah, he opened the scope and he spam like drum. I just was like, seriously? This is what you call one tap in your Garo's language or something? This is what you call one tap in your Garo rules? I say like that now. And they are saying, because you didn't win, that's why. But if you see their gameplay now, then you'll feel funny. Really, that's why I give you guys advice. If you play with them now, you give limited or you just play 1vs1. 1vs1, they won't be able to defeat you. Where are we? Where are we? Hello, I am from Brazil, belong to Sora. You're from Brazil, belong to Sora. YD Shark? Who is this? YD Shark, like seriously? Oh my god,เป็นมีabout Shark kawan. Jadi ang mau tu junior nga ha? Oh, YD Shark. Okay. It's okay. You choose 2 players, okay? Kadai gagil tutap. Oh, they make a game of a pro haban like kai. Matjong Duramen mid 1v6. Yes, I have never seen such a player like that before. I have never seen 1v6 player from Mᴏʀᴇ, but last night I saw 1v6. My goodness, he didn't want to play with me. See, this is the reason why I am noob, because they didn't want to play with me. Okay, not a problem. Caught one tap na bat nga 2vs6. Okay, sure, I will. Good night, Dora. Sa accept pat to guild request. Okay, pi ay katengum no sa le you. Okay, I will accept you. You don't need to worry. I will accept you, okay? Nut le kai but ni player sniper. We are not a sniper player, my dear. If you brave, then to you come 1vs1 or you come 4vs4 or you come 4vs6 or you come 6vs6 with one tap. But you have to rush. No sniper. We are one tap player. We are not sniper player, okay? Revenge gaming balay durala kalat ne kateng junga pi ay kateng gumno revenge Hi guild ni sniper, so your guild is a sniper guild and my guild is a one tap guild. Then how come you want to challenge with a one tap guild? Then you are a sniper guild, so you have to play only with sniper guild, not with a one tap guild. Come on, Bashala Moron. Oh, dap mian sengai balik ba change kerteng revenge gaming patmo. Sa adat si ben Mickey Mouse. Welcome to my stream. Aha. La kata te pi la jan tangan biang man physis host nga la jan tangan biang la ngaro. Shardwell shooting pidish nong na iba Shardwell. Pidish nong nang no. Where are you from? Let's see Mr. Game. What is that? It's my table, all right. Wait, okay. It's my double, right or not? Yeah, my double is alright. It's 100% fit and fine. But how come? Oh, don't shoot inside the wall. Where are we? Tang bad gigaru mo nga kwan sa danza. Okay, Mᴏʀᴇ gamer. YD Shaq lab ha mo. YD Shaq is a legend. You don't need to worry. Kani gagil jong dora kadang dunarum palat kabaya bam bet karumbu. We didn't force anybody to create a custom for us, brother. We never force anybody to create a custom for us. They want to play by themselves. They want to create by themselves. We didn't force them. They want to create by themselves. So you must understand the meaning. You must understand the difference between that, okay? Before you say anything to someone, you must understand. You are a man, you are a boy, okay? And you want to challenge with a girl. That means you are a man or a boy who wore a skirt. You know what? Maybe you wore skirt. Maybe you know. Maybe you wore something about the girls who used to wear. Nah? I don't know about that. But that is your personal problem. You don't need to tell everybody. You don't need to tell your personal life here. So you must mind your own business and get out of my stream if you want to. But if you don't want them to, maybe you want to check my skill, then okay, no problem. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for viewing my stream. It means a lot, okay? It means a lot, really. You can take back your subscriber, you can take back your like, but you cannot take back your views. You cannot take back your watch time that you have already given me. So thank you a lot. May God bless you. Where are we? Dora ID jong pia kita. Spek ya ya shi YD syak mlong tiet ngap spek ini mastalidli. Ngap spek tanga ini na marka mi nga de jong ini te. Okay, ID ini piko ID jong okay. I'm gonna give you my ID right now. Tayo ang lasan. Oh my God. OP game dia bangal lazy. Saong dat kan mo dora sawan ra jangan tu basyong mapi. Oh my God, kum ta tho ai se ai hai. Oh. Bashala. Em bro gitu bakwa legal test kan habs nahi karum ho ai. Ngam jupat na karum nanu. Ngam ju krang na karum ngam jong shnarum inga. Subha se paninga kwa le kai room tamta shnarum no I never say that, okay? I will never say that, especially in the live stream. Yeah, I may ask from my friends, but I will ask from random players, okay? That's why if they want to create, they can create by themselves. I never force them to create custom for me. Lý़irᴅᴇ, come no pilang. Bado next sangamo, next is Jerry. Call Jerry. Call him. Call Ba Jerry. Where is Ba Jerry? Call him. Can any one of you call him? Ba Jerry have to play next. Okay, Ba Jerry. Apa jahat nak kasih? You ada body. Oh my God. Syad si Mudora oi. Dadap jiri sa ngamu. Okay. Kili wat jiri kloi. Kloi wat iba jiri dang ja. Wat iba jiri. Hoi. Wat iba jiri. मेरे किस्मत की oh my goodness हर एक पन्ने पे मेरे जीते जी बाद मरने के मेरे हर कल हर एक लम्हे में तू लिख दे मेरा उसे. I really like that glue wall, but I don't like to use that glue wall. You know why? Because like I use a glue wall what to say, it's like dark blue or something. If I use that glue wall, then only what is that? Am I the only one who see that number? My goodness me, am I the only one who see that? Oh my God, that number. Dang I use a glue wall bang ajura berbuat am kan dapat kan atli ula ada buan dang I use pada dikini kiwai am basna maliwat dia Jerry wat na Google Maps. Oh my goodness me. Okay, go, no problem. No problem. उसका मैं हूँ से उसी का रहने दे. मैं तो प्यासा हूँ दरिया वो जरिया वो जीने का मेरे. मुझे घर दे गली दे शहर दे उसी के नाम के. Namaste Lizzy ka biang hala ka ako Lizzy day. Tang ba kam tip para kanut kom tharai kitu ke open and klein ha day. I think so both of them are very pro. YD shark so is very dangerous. Aha. The sharks nan I can think to wait. Where are we? best palat ga gameplay jong masali si hoi ka best palat ga gameplay jong tu guy you guide fi ani bangra no siang la ini guide deh. Just kidding. Best palat ga gameplay nang lai pa my voice is like what to say like a bear just go on the karhu di game si karhu kumno. Don't sing anymore, I'll cry, my goodness me. Are you are insulting me like really? Doras accept yang ngamo, I kateng hybrid okay. Banga la amot pala YouTube no ken, ngala change kateng ru, day banga amot pala YouTube no. Oh, takadaw. Oh my god. Pila day ban use bonfire mentang tu, jing siya pila day ban use bonfire hang tu. Chukot ako. Balay fiklam lek kai mentakas ngi nga klam yu ira bapin lek kai fiklam online ra. Balay jayo. What happened? What's happening to you? Kiliwat iba Jerry. Kiliwat iba Jerry. Ba Jerry la ja. Ngalap tay iba Tom iba Jerry la ja. Piday ban subscribe ning kong channel jong amo dora hawai tangan sa subscribe ning kong. Mga hiban subscribe ni kong you don't need to worry. Bait mentang ala dep subscribe ya channel jung pi klik check ka tu ka channel jung pi bam ta la yo si subscriber. Ala subscribe mentang. La offline try Jerry. Nga try. Try la offline ni ba Jerry. Oh my goodness me. Mashallah. This is injustice. You just give him red number always. Yeah, he just gave him only the red number, right? I saw yellow also little. But little. Ihaha. Jerry latia. Jerry patia ada dang manta. Jerry is preparing to go and steal some cheese because he want to eat something. Jerry used to steal in night time. I think so daytime to Jerry it's rare for him to steal, na. But in market to Jerry even daytime also is there. Yang apat lek kai kanu beje keluar ni ping 4 buok ra kai deh 4 buok pori fi tapi sa lek kai nok la syai katamo. Insa ai sa lek kai nok la syai. By the way, I mean to say guys, by the way, la syai kasni ngam tep dengan stream wat beje. Ngam batay na kan majengan stream na siya kasi masa kale bale sakale bale sakale Masayangan wants to button P. Okay, not a problem, you can come tomorrow also, no problem. Come tomorrow also, no problem. You come, no problem. Come on, Mr. MR. You're Mr. Yeah, Mr. Lazy. Iba jay tu, idi Mr. Jay tu. Jerry dah yakun bat no? Jerry dah, oh my god. Enjoys this gameplay. Jerry dah yakun bat Tom. I really like Tom and Jerry when I was a kid. Really, when I was a kid at the time, I really loved Tom and Jerry. Asyik pet tu, untuk silipet film, silipet Tom and Jerry. So tanah ada pet itu mo. Iba sate ada pet Tom and Jerry. Okay, Jerry, where are you?
Solta o som.
Jerry, darling, where are you? La offline ba Jerry deh? La offline ka try ba Jerry? Dengan accept guild try itu you guy. Itu 7H baby, right? Yes, it's 7H baby. Laong nga ni kini ta apsya mo, gini pro kaya apsya. Where are we? Sa nga mo. Okay. Apsya. Wait first of all. You have to wait first of all, okay? You have to wait first of all. I am in live stream right now, so you have to wait, all of you. Oi ni ba Tom hang ni don ni pala kaya ba Jerry. Wait first of all, I am in live stream right now. Yang adora ai la kai show. Ngan ai, baling ngan ai. Who's next? What Ɂʌᴏᴜᴜ dalap ᴏᴜᴜᴜ? I have started a stream 3 hours ago. Like seriously, it's very cool, right? I have already started the stream like 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago. I've already started the stream 3 hours ago. Like seriously. Not a problem. Are you wait? I'm in live stream right now. Sģɪʟ444, nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sģɪʟ. Thank you. Thank you very much. Where are we? Lingay, not Lingay, right? Lingay. Dora ngan join la shay mo ban ne giltes. Okay. Nga day Nikki Star Lingdo Nongrang. Okay, then nice to meet you. Thank you so much for telling me your full name. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. But could not stream, ma'am. Oh, really? You want me to end the stream now? Dora, I'd accept no more. Okay, tell me your in-game name again. Tell me your in-game name again. Oh, this one, right? Already accept. Okay. And gaming with Viru. Hi, Viru. कैसे हो? आप कहाँ से हो? Pico like I full map name subscriber, but not now. I'm feeling boring to play full map, Ronnie. I'm feeling very boring to give a commentary in full map because I have to spec this person, that person, this person, that person, up to 48%. I have to spec. That's very difficult for me, right? You have to try to understand me also. Okay. Then nice meeting you. In India too, we are creating like namaste. Namaste. Ngayon, unlimited free internet ro 1 2G panban. So lost, habibi. FreeFire UID and chat, please. Okay, I'm gonna send you now. You don't need to worry, okay? Wait, no. Sound of brand new, not line on. Okay, I already sent you my ID. Ronnie, please, not now. I'm feeling tired. Not now, Ronnie. Ronnie, please, not now. I'm feeling so boring to give a commentary in full map, okay? Please, not now, Ronnie, not now. You create tomorrow, man, not now. Please, Ronnie. Accept your usagi. Okay, ta. I'm gonna accept. Ini am? Basaki. Ini KG hope ngambat accept sayang lah. Accept ni lah. By the way ni. Okay, I'm gonna check your in-game name. So all of them, they just send me a friend request randomly. I think so. Ngalayo Donald, ngalada pa accept mo. Dakwa ID Dora siapa ngalada send to ID jo nga. Onjon klan Dora Ronnie, not now, man. Please, I'm really tired. Me and friend request. Okay, I have already sent you my ID. So you give me you. What to say? You send me friend request, okay? Kɣzīʟᴜ Little 1vs4. Okay, you go and create now. Yes, I really want a content, so you go and create now. If you want to play 1vs4, like seriously. If you don't want, then it's your loss. Dora, love you. Siya kan 24 lah shy. Okay, love you too. Good night. And thank you so much for visiting my stream. Thank you so much, yaar. Just kidding. By the way, Sģɪʟ, I really miss you, really. Okay, tell me, Kaya. Slam ju yo pachu eka stream. Bombyang network pikong Dora. She like more and forever. Thank you, Vincent fan. Thank you very much. Lyrics, pan could not stream. 10k super chat. Then I'm gonna end the stream right now, right here. Ambaha amalim ngoy Dora. Okay, Ngalash na Dora. Sorry, Ronnie. I'm really sorry. I can't participate. Master 52 friend list, please. Okay. Where is he? I didn't see any of his name. I didn't see any of your name, my dear. Which one is yours? I'm gonna reject all first of all. Okay. I'm gonna reject first of all everybody. After that, you send me friend request. Okay, send now. I'm waiting for you. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Send now. Love from Pakistan. Amazing, yeah, amazing. You got jokes also. Master 52 in friend list. Okay, but I didn't even see that guy. 40 again super chat. Thank you, Evans. Thank you. Tang na pila yo proper. Like proper tingkah na iba advances minta. Thank you very much. Up man I 10k super chat minta tatim. Let's see. Waiting for that day. Love from Bangladesh. Oh, yeah, I know you are from Bangladesh. I know. You don't need to tell me. I know you are from Bangladesh. Then who is this? I didn't even know this guy. Who is he? Okay, I have deleted him, but he has sent again, so I'm gonna accept now. Not a problem. I have to delete some of my friend here. I think so. This one. Look, gaming. And of sorry, who's this guy? I didn't even know. I have to delete some. What about this one? This guy also never came when I invite him. This one also never came when I invite him. Oh. Okay. I think so. That's fine. Done. Okay. Thank you so much, my Mᴏʀᴇ. Love from South Korea. Oh my goodness me. Oh, where are we? Nga na Mᴏʀᴇ gamers. Oh, nice. Nga na Shillong from Bangladesh. Like seriously, you are from Shillong from Bangladesh. Like seriously. Oh, even I redeem code yang alay posting kawat penluca super chat. Thanks, friend. List me. Okay, not a problem. Your English is a little bit broken, but not a problem. Thank you so much for trying to speak in English. Love from Mᴏʀᴇ gamers. Thank you. Yeah, you are the best. You guys are the best. Love you all so much. Bye. By the way, ini iba hybrid ni pala kaya naman ta hybrid daling puting. Will it what someone? Again, I really hate this. I really hate that message. Again and again it came. Delete all. Where are we? So you guys wanna play again, or I'm gonna off the stream right now? Okay, I'm feeling a little bit boring. So if you want to send me friend request, then you send me now, or you give me your ID. I'm gonna check your profile. Give me your ID. I'm gonna check your profile. Give me your ID. I'm gonna check your profile. I killed Mᴏʀᴇ Khasi buat YT. I'm feeling very tired. I'm feeling hungry also. So I will give it. I last give no kind. Okay. Yum. Who will create? I am Putin and I'm gonna throw a challenge long. Abas ngat mo. Lola. Oh my goodness me. You are Putin. Ani tate lawai lengi la do stream big fan night board. Oh my goodness. I last game now full map. Okay, Mᴏʀᴇ gamers credit. Credit for me. She tu baru ni temo noob. She la jati baru ni noob yung ni. Muan re. She tu ni temo la ja. Please group coming, please. Now to I am streaming right now. I can't do anything. I have to finish. Rodi kisna dak wat mo.
Kisna yo.
Kisna pull map.
Teng piong pitai teng
Ala thaje tang bau niu bahai ong babun da iki ong hang ni national ta full map tang IWM sudah.
Bila mune buat apa nongai une apa senarum dah.
Ngaru ngaku le kai le IWM ngan try kai ngalong kum nu IWM ngaku te.
Pra. Oi. Up le solo mo senarum ni le kai stream.
How pra. Oi ba tiam, how pra. How pra be. How pra be.
Halo.
Oi.
Pra.
Oi, Roni.
Solo senarum solo.
Tang IWM mo Roni. Okay guys, solo I'm gonna give you guys the room ID and password. Kɣzīsᴜn nong room 100 super chat. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Kubleshi buat Adam Tashi Spa super chat. Kɣzīsᴜn celebrate the first super chat from Kɣzīsᴜn nong room. Oh my goodness me. Kľɪʀᴏᴜᴛ nong room. Baik tapi sen super chat kalau apa hi keteng ju yang tay tapi sen spa sejurang kalau apa bit lek keteng ni. Thank you very much. Thank you. You are the best. Mwah, love you. मैं तो पानी पानी हो गई. Sغʌ Oh my God. Oh my God. Congrats for 10k super chat. Oh my goodness me. It's not 100k. It's 100 rupees, man. Kļɪʀᴜᴜᴛ redeem code proper yang ni. Setah normal. Oh my God. You guys are the best. Mengalir syak, ha? Ha, ketemu di syak sah. Syak pergi jadung room? Like seriously? I don't know that you are jadung room. I really don't know that you are jadung room. Ipak ye jong are jadung room tengah dah. Ani kilai syanok cal. Wan yang malumuri hispat tengah. Kļɪʀᴜᴜᴛ yang malumuri. Pat tiada sis MPA yang pat tiada yang ban lek kai sesisen dan dep sesisen kabon in ngan tiano. Congratulations. Joking yeah, okay. I know. Okay guys, solo. Okay, I'm gonna my friends gonna create custom. I'm gonna give you a room ID and password and we will play together, okay? And only sniper. Oh, Mᴏʀᴜ gamer. No. Mᴏʀᴜ gamers. No. You are not allowed to join because you're a hacker. You're a hacker and I don't want you to join in my stream. Like seriously, I don't want you to join in my stream because you're a hacker. Okay, because you're a hacker. That's why I don't want you to join. Okay, so guys, solo, I will invite you now. Solo, okay, I will invite you. Anong ipoilait si Span Rio, ngimla ada pendap si Span Sporo.
Cղɪʟᴜᴜᴜ, solta o som.
Ronnie, Chloe,
Cղɪʟᴜᴜᴜ, solta o som. Cղɪʟᴜᴜᴜ, solta o som.
Chloe. Hang no don syak ngakwa ban siam ya kaliba jung unamar ngan di ya ngan manam manino. Oh my God, si tu ba syak tu ba Kļɪʀᴜᴜᴜᴜ na. Tu ba Kļɪʀᴜᴜᴜᴜ nong room tu di ba syak. Ai hai. Dora accept utuk kepameu tu se aita. Kepameu tau. No dan tang hau pra dan da kepamea, pa dan da kepamea hani dan tang pra. Dan tang pra ba. Dan da kepamea, om dan da kepamea tau. Kepamea tau. Ko akran ni pay palat-palat berengkam dan da tau kepamea hani ngawat itu kepamea tau lap rai. Oh tu. Hello. Oi. Hello.
Oi, biasa ya.
Oi.
Jol kerum ya gidan ki bapa.
Ngala pasna po baroni mursna sharoni mulakai full map shaban of stream nga last match tade hau pra ta kadau. Oi.
Mula ka full map mentah.
Hoi, meni nak kai da full map solo mo.
Solo so invite lain mo.
Ta ngan invite lut bro khoi. Pira yang solo bro khoi ngan invite lut baik bro shishnong. Okay ta. Solo no.
Snow.
Mai pergi itu imut.
Bro sini
Ta. No sound?
Mai pergi itu imut.
But sound is there. You said no sound. Ushlur te ban pet. Pas ngai ready. You're funny guy. Okay guys, the room ID is this one and the password. Where is the password? Give me the password. Give me the password, Ronnie. Itu room ID mo? I the room ID up the password pada. Password. Wait, I password siya and invite siya na stream. I show password is okay mo? Bas ngaj ro. Up sa join daw password mo. Password is 321. Password is 321, guys. Password is 321. Tu password. Join kan? Kloi. Ngaru kwa ban pen kho ban pen kho yau sngai. Boleh. Tu ba invite dia okey tu ngalah semua ali. Solo. Sakale boleh sakale. Sakale boleh sakale. Ta ngalah invite lut parok shishnong mai. Gitu ke dan apa you. Ki MORON nak don hani deh. Ali nak kloi kan? We need 48 players. Yeah, we need 48 players. Habibi, welcome to my stream. Oh. Dora yang apa rumai lah kalang saya ngala I ready I mean to say online kloi. Lah dia invite tu kupamia tu lah dia invite. Ngala dia invite. Jerry is here. Another one thing lah what Jerry dan mentai lah mi. Come on guys. I kloi. Unlimited na kumno ka room ha classic ap na pet ngamo. Limited amunu ho ti unlimited. Unlimited. Sha ne em da eine clear sha. Nga confirm. Okay, no problem. Uruni uklem ya thu shwa la ya ke. No problem, it's okay. It's all right. Tura yang apa I will give you. Come on online now. I will invite you. Fast. I have invite everybody. I have invite all of you. Come on guys, me too, I will play. Basanga is here. Overkill hack user 100% sure. Oh my god, he is a giant legend. Okay guys, he is a giant legend and he also have a YouTube channel, so go and check his YouTube channel also. Sakale oh loveful. Oh loveful. Let's go. I never shoot sniper anymore nowadays. Am I expecting? Oh no, I didn't. Don't kick him. Don't kick him. He will online after some time. You don't kick him, okay? Let's go now. Let's go, my stupid heart. Don't know. I try to let you go. You know, yeah. Ani kia buon hale ti dowal MC dowal ro hani la shur so khmos be. Okay, kila bye karmut. Wale pike ke to kupa me to chuke kra yo to bhai. La ja. Aja to kupa me to. Balai wan kloi. San pun ro wan kloi. Hab bro 1k. Ali kloi bro. Sawar. Balai pajalut bro. Ko akil rai Khasi dora. Sakale adi lasna start le bhai. Balai sakale balai sakale. I'm here. Oh, tironi lahir stay. Oh, itu. Dari le ulah karat stay le situ tu bakop tepi hakai. Ni. Ani Roni temu ni. Aruni nubat. Roni nubat. Habibi, welcome to my stream. Emotional damage. Balik jakik ne? What the fuck, man? What happened? Kyyʀᴛᴇ, what happened to you, my dear? What's happening? Sakale. La kick yang mana ba kick? Why ba kick? Why he kick you? Nganang ong niya create David ba sngai ni pemadan da AWM. Mana ba kick ifi? Why you kick him? Ronnie, why you kick you ba sngai? Ngakwala kai bot ba sngai. Penpoi 1 like not subscriber you apply with badge na okay, no problem. Uho sa lasok mo le ngamyo le kay rebali fike kyo bas ngai Ronnie balifik ke bas ngai la ting da kadau nama dadan bas ngai kawang headshot la ting yo sha headshot shisha la kick no ya bas ngai le hi ha ha ha Ari Guys, to be honest, I will tell you the truth. I'm very bored in shooting sniper in PC, okay? So, what should I do? I can change. Array, no sniper. I got one, but this is not good. Oh, I got two. I got only one sniper. I mean, two sniper, but they are not nice. I'm very poor. I didn't have sniper skin. Where is it? AWM. I got one AWM. I got one AWM. Seriously, guys. Ay. Like you bruised up. What? Gun is going. I need one more sniper. After that, I will go and rush. If I die, also no problem. I am very bored in sniper nowadays. If you see me shooting sniper, if I get one kill, I am a legend. Okay. If I get one kill in sniper, then I am a legend. I never get any kill in sniper. With sniper, I mean to say. Ouch. Ka-shot ko rin lang ka keyboard yung kanji siya. My ping my ping is gone. Ayo. Hari? My ping is not good. Sakale. Putra pro akan sniper lol. Ngam jula sniper shule ngai la slam ham jula ka sniper shoot ka daw. Nang shoot le ka sniper ro. Ngai mình ta lap hat ni ti wei dei nam dei na baklang ha thrai. Đi đây cánh. Oh shit. Oh, you back already. Where are your feet? Okay, no problem. Hapsiat kan mampus pak aku lila ada sniper. Ani I do san spa HP na. Same ping. My goodness me. I'm very bored in sniper yaar. Can any one of you help me? Ani ka di ka custom deh. Ani ka mula na kayo body ka mo kakain body shot apo. Apo custom baro. I mean apo CS. Where is he guys? Oh shit. Mistakenly die you more than dia. Why don't you die? Are you back already? I didn't have medkits anymore. Chính sao đây là bạn ai unlimited đấy. Mà bao nhập sure là bị ai unlimited đấy. Why I started the same place? Oh shit. He back again. He back again, yeah. I don't have medkit anymore. I'm gonna run. Bye-bye. No medkits here also. No medkit. I saw only vest. I'm gonna go and loot something. I need a medkit. But where should I get medkit? Nga la suppose na mga play da ka sniper kamot file one tap betay bas nga tinga la ka sniper bitum shitum na tang mga nupat. Don't be scared of me, man. I am bored in sniper. Why you pack like anything? I see medkit over there. I'm gonna go and loot something. Where is that medkit? Oh. I want to loot only medkit. Where is the medkit? I lost it. Ngayu ikadon medkit hantu tangam yo ra ban shim he ikadon ngam tip shura. Ngali shurut na utit ka balong na bamlong na shurut na utit la. Rani is coming from my backside. Where is Baroni? Where is Baroni? Where is he? Just now I see him. Oh, he went upside. He disappeared. Oh, he's here. I don't have medic, yaar. How can I handle him? I didn't even have medkit. I see who you are. You are my enemy. Oh, just kidding, man. Just now I see that guy over here, but now he disappeared. I think so, upside, right? He disappeared again. What no hit eh? Oh, poor. Parafal. Not sniper. That guy is using parafal. He's using parafal also, and he was shooting at me. Oh, that is not fair. Why he is using parafal? That is not nice. I nearly die. Give me medkit. Oh shit. I missed that shot. Again. Oi, I'm gonna die. Let them run first of all. I better die in the zone. But that zone eats a lot. That zone needs a lot. I don't have any medkit. Can anybody give me medkit? Can anybody give me medkit? Yeah. One bullet, then I will die without medkit. What is this? I didn't have medkit too. What should I do? Habibi, give me medkit. No wall jong no bhai. If anybody is watching my live stream and play at the same time, then come here. I'm here. Oh wait. Nothing HP na barang si Սපාᴏᴜᴜ te ka HP te ka daw am dala kam Kýʀᴛᴇɪ ngan sami mo. Oh my god. Oh, sejorong ruwe. Mommy. My god, like seriously 33 HP, man. Like seriously 33 HP. Mommy, this is emotional damage, yaar. I need medkit. Give me medkit. I didn't even have medkit, so what should I do? Oh, I didn't even have medkit and I died 0 kill. Oh. Maria light na peak la died Hɪʟʟs dang. I'm done medkit to pita ka daw nga la shu hair pathar. Charling Star dia kasi manikong mga ke channel stream ta kami. Oh, thank you so much. Dora bana pelut por ban legend seng ko pa pelut hagi pumpa pelut por hagi game tel ayo jingger ku ka badai ga taru. Tang ba ma piru ka juhi. Lara pi pelut por ha ka ba pi duai ban ha ka ba pi one page ka stream jong ha ka ta pi ayo jingger ku. Everybody is not perfect ta ka daw. Baro game perfect ring dan la ka jong ka weakness. Oh my goodness, let's see. Mẹ, ni kakarteng rupa imale. Mẹ, blah blah. Mẹ, ulah siat dah kayu pina dah kapi 19 kata. Can anybody pronounce his name? Dora fans, Atlang Kenya. Okay, I will. An lẽ cũng nuôi kênh darling puting ngắm đón net tăng mệt kít rong asu hair serum seneng. Plus I was surrounded. Oh my god. Begini yuk mệt kít bas ngai lah. Uto da M1014. Have you M1014 ru yuk na. Aage swaga de bhai. I'm feeling hungry. Na na na na na na na na na na na. I'm feeling hungry. Na na na na na na na na na na na. Ani dah parafal ki barak parafal na du menia du kata Iɪrsᴛ ni barak parafal. Scope na jebing. Thank God I didn't get 1 kill also. Otherwise my headshot rate will be decreasing. Thank goodness. Thank God I didn't get 1 kill also. Thank God. Hi, Mr. ML10 Gaming. Hi. Why you miss Dora? I miss Shuden. Oh my goodness me. Yo ja hitan na kaniru. Kumno? Yo ja hite na kaniru da pun subscribe. La shu bambe tias semua kadai ka ba ong iba chatting star bambe tias be shu bambe. Dora pi dei nong ayu ngadai na sora pi na Stefan sora da ba charling. Ikijat khar ko ngor te ngidei ban ong kun kijat khar ko ngor ngite di ban ong kha di ban ong mᴏʀᴇ. Clam off regan property de kadaw yo athiet. Oh. De kada la bot ngali tong met kit ngom don. Nadu pas dang game hadu pakut ngayat tang dai alok bat uway utet level 4 but kadai sniper challenge hoy kadai sniper challenge hoy ngara tang bam tang uway utet level 4 bam tang rute limit kit but arsin na license hala. Why hungry headshot body shot or mod menu shot because that was pretty nice, amazing, yeah, amazing. It's amazing gameplay, amazing headshot, body shot with M10. Landam tati fiday hoy ngaday jay landam. So rayo mo nga sto sa jam tanong biriw ila ayo. Kun ngaday siya to sa jam mau kudok ani ngalait matrik na po mo kudok na. Ngalait matrik na mo kudok nga. Ngalai nakatukat na school tirat sing memorial secondary school mo ko dok hoy. Ro P90 ro sniper sa ura hit ila kung no ken ngamla sho ban le kung no kubdo tete best makha hoy best ha. Why hungry headshot? Because I am bored, that's why I need headshot more. Are tu way spam gon ho astel set ka M10 ru ngau set M10 ru tudum I was like, oh seriously happy you are shooting with M1014 also and you say that M10 also is a sniper. Okay, no problem. You are thinking that MP40 or that P90 also is a sniper. Oh Dora, I am fallen in love with your stream. Thank you you are the best. Mau step ni MM jatang la ba charling star jatang dah. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Kulai wat lado na dua ko niya ba boss. Set ya uni. Set yo tu. Come on. Set yo tu sa. So kumo uni babat M10 balali ha. Usu spray ba da M10 ro. Climb off kan property. Shna ranga. Shna Schnaiba Roni. La keran raha abane sorry mo pikiran raha aku dong kapet hira. Suicide solo. Kano ada mi 1000 spa. 1000 kena spa ngala di penyo skill. La di penyo arkel like. Ya pikiran raha aku dong punya kapet hira. Kapet hira kat ujung fi. Kapet hira kat chat ujung fi ngak kerat no hi. Okay lah, werawi yang ngaruh film art darling ala art lut yang bro. Ini kepamit tau lah dapat art. Ngakerteng game I am ye ni FF okay. Why you fell? Okay, by the way guys, thank you so much baiklah kat wish teng tengah lip bam jano nak dekat stream okala do kala dip karar beje te ku blesi buat bepilawan mi kat stream ku blesi buat bepilawan support. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much pila pat kat stream yang jongan adu menye. Then may God bless you, good night and sweet dreams. Bye bye, I love you all so much and take care. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.